Just like when I come on this podcast and I talk the truth. Co-worker have to go vex. Co-worker art have to go drop out. But you see people them out there need to know the truth. So I'm not going to come on this kind of sugarcoat nothing and talk good when I bad. If you do bad, me I talk bad. If you talk good, me I talk good. Because me I talk the real history of dancehall and where we go through in our road.
What's going on, ladies and gentlemen? This is Muscle, and this is another Two Line Music Hut's Entertainment Report podcast. And today, listen, we have a really special guest in the building. Listen, we did a crazy virtual interview with this man, and this is actually his first time in Toronto, Canada. You know, we have in the building today, we have the one, Don Mafia, in the building today. What's going on, big boss?
Yeah, man. Big up yourself, Muscle, man. You don't know any, man. Big up Canada people, them same way, see me? Enough respect, and it's a joy to be here, man. You understand? Because, you know, this place is a very nice place, and a lot of people up here, and I meet a lot of fans on the street, and, you know, they're really interested, and I'm happy to be here, man.
You're happy?
You don't know, man. Big up yourself, you see me?
No, man, trust me, because, again, you've been in this business so long, and to know that you're actually on the ground right now in Canada, boss, what's that feeling like?
Well, it's just a joy, you know, because I really first time I come to Canada, because one at the time, you know, we did go to Canada embassy and them turned me down, and I don't really me still know, they come up here with Beenie Man and turn down the permit, and it's like from that, me just give up on Canada, because we never go to embassy and get turned down. I'm like, what Canada think like? Yo, I hear me? Don't with Canada to come, them don't need me over there. So, one at the time, I forget to say Canada, I'm foreign, you know. And the other day, I start watching back some video, I said, but wait, but Canada, this story I hear about from little with granny, everybody used to go, who go on? A big old foreign. So when me hear something really, I go and say, all right, then we are going to go up there and see what I go on. Yeah. And when me touch down, I say, no, man, they not with this America, what kind of foreign is that? I'm big, rich foreign this. I'm going to tell me about, no, man, America, then England, then Canada. I tell them, no, man, Canada have each up right side of America, brother, because infrastructure. And I talk about, no, about the money. I say, well, if I have money, you'd have to put England up front, because for them money bigger. So when I check out the thing, Canada is a beautiful country, you know, and it's a joy to be here. And I just respect the people them who see me in the street and appreciate me and love me. And me there. I know what music we do. And we don't care, brother. You see what I say? At Jamaica, we come from, and we're there, Canada. So we bring a piece of Jamaica to the Canadian people. You see me?
Which is right.
Yeah, man.
You know what I mean? Nah, man, it's definitely a joy, because I know somebody like you, when it comes to drama, you're a real drama. People don't know how joyous Don Mafia really is. And when it comes to story, boss, you have the story. But even before we get into all of that there, last week, we had the passing of Fantan Mojah. You know what I mean? Yeah, we have to definitely say a rest in peace to Fantan Mojah.
Yeah, man. I'm a real friend to, you know, because we'll always hang out at Exodus studio from a long time, you know, before him name Fantan and up a Jaro, that a mad killer, him didn't name him time there. And, you know, it's a youth where, boy, I really youth, because Elderslie come from, you know. I remember saying I grew up at Balaclava and Rose Valley and them places, so we connect on a level. And me and him used to par, like walk up and down from the road as little youth, and if we have money, we buy food and we eat, and, you know, I'm a friend. You see what I'm saying? I mean, have one girl around a cash up at him time there, and him there right over there, so, and him used to go and link me, see him, and we roll, we are bridging. And when we see him bust and him thing there, I thank God, I'm glad for him and everything, and, you know, even before, even, me and the man I link back real good, you know. And you know, say, when me hear a man send me a message, say, messy about Fantan dead. I say, which Fantan dead? You're mad. So I call Fantan Mojah now, come here and say, what man about dead? When me look, me now get Fantan, I say, no, something serious then. And then me see everybody I send it come and I say, John no star, come like a real thing, you know. But me just want to say, R.I.P. Brother, hear me Fantan, you do it youth, you see me? Because nothing here come from, the whole of where I come from, nothing in a brother. But I look at youth, we don't know, say people are going to know, we don't know what will happen, brother. We just live and, you know, through the blessing of Johnny talent, you know, a man live for making life. Boy, I hear me, it's sad. I hear me, I say, I just want to entertain them, for just, you know, boy, I have to appreciate your friend when them there, because you don't even know when you're gone. You see me, I say, I'm merciless start this thing, you know. And from Merciless dead is like every artist, I say, yo, it's cool to die, I'm going over there. But when I depend it in a brother, you see me, I say? Yeah. We have to hold out. You see me, I say, I'm Fantan, you're a good youth, and your memories live on. And I say condolences to all the Fantan Mojah family and friends, them, you know. Kasha Park people, I don't feel it too. You see me, I say?
Do you have any special memory of Fantan? Something that sticks in your brain? 'Cause I know you're the original computer brain, Mafia. You know what I mean?
Yeah, man. You see Fantan now, enough memories me about him, But the biggest memory me about Fantan is the support when come give Merciless. Because I'm telling you how I stay now. You see Merciless I want real youth, and the whole of we know that. And all in the music knows that Merciless a good youth. And you see when Mr. Merciless drop out, you see people when I see come give them support and know me, that me use for mark them and say them people are real people. You understand? Because when I watch the hype and when I care about when a man wants to say or nothing, we just know say, yo, you see from you're real, we have to just give you support, brother, as a musical brother and as a family. Even the other day I watch it live with Mr. G, when them do Fantan 9-day thing, and I tell you, say, in my heart, I really felt it like, yo, if me wish me did on the ground, because I know me the have to go. When we have real people around me, and something like that happen, brother, you have to watch how the support go, because I saw you know who good from who bad too. You understand? So Fantan, we go all about stage show everywhere, we par everything. It's like we always get joke, always attack something and rare. And you hear me, we have too many countless memories with this man because our real friend like that. A family. You see me? Musical family.
Yeah, no, because
man.
again, somebody like you that's always, it's like you always seem to be in the corner of whoever's on the ground. You understand, as I said, you were linking with Merciless at his funeral and everything. I even seen you endorse New Merciless also.
Yeah.
You know
You
what I mean?
Merciless now. He's a good youth too, because listen why me have to endorse him. You see, due to how we are Merciless a friend, and me see this man come and have the talent where him can't even sound the same way like Merciless already. Enough people that try to beat him down and say this and that, but me I say, no youth, you have a talent, use it. You understand? And me did discover him before Merciless even dead,
Okay.
Because I post a video with him on my Facebook and it go like 250,000 in a couple of days. And then me I tell Merciless about him, I say, that youth that sound like you for me could go check him man and do a collab with him. But he never get to that because Merciless pass off. And then when we get to meet him and Merciless can't like me meet him,
Okay.
And him come cross to me, come heal me and say, boy, I Mafia everybody. I tell me, say, you post me thing already. And me I say, yo, me love how you deal with the thing because you have a talent, you're a DJ for sure. When nobody get you down. So you see, all what go on now is like him keep the link with me. And you see how me stay in our music now. Me don't have no time for corrupt, brother. If you have talent and way and Mr. Man, I go encourage you. And me I say any little thing you say, boy, if you say, yo, Mafia, Ray, do that for me. I'll do it for you, King. You see? So even when the hurricane come and things here, we did go down, they go give us some stuff and me end up pass him yard and me did tell him, say, me I come check him, see? Because when him father dead, me go down there too, And father 9 night and then with him. Because here why me go now. He was a DJ and I said, Jano, him down there, so and nobody not really, the DJ not really go give him no support. Me go give him a strength car. When him I bring on Merciless legacy, we have first I did it like a Merciless that then, see? And then me go check him and we did there and even when me pass the day, like me the times I come check him and catch you say we're on in place mash up and we end up go we are Westmoreland and never get to go. And me reach my yard and I couldn't sleep, because I feel awake and I said, John was there. We did tell the DJ say I come. The next day, I'm a virgin and brush him and we just get up something and say, yo, we'll look for your artist, man. And we did there and hold a good vibe with him. So I saw my thing go, brother. We don't have no time for corrupt and think about what people are saying this and that. We just you will have a human, one life we have, brother. See? So if you can help a brother along the way or give him a strength or give him encouragement, give him, man. Because you don't know what will happen, brother. You see what I say? I'm glad to see him doing thing and him get him little thing and him out there about soon to and rare. So big up New Merciless same way, man. You see what I say? St. Elizabeth youth same way, man.
Yeah, no, definitely. Because again, as you said, he's supposed to, I think it's next month. He's supposed to forward up here too. You know what I mean?
8th of August himself.
Yeah.
Yeah, man. I'm all about, man.
That's how I know, yo. You see, you're real in the streets. You remember the date when the man is coming. That's the real link.
Yeah, man. Because him tell me for a long time, See? And then even day before yesterday, I saw him call me. I tell him, say, oh, I see your flyers down at Eglinton, Yeah, I'm tell him, worry yourself, man. We're there. I don't know if I go there, but you know, by the time I could have gone about my business. But you know what I'm saying, I can there too. See me? So, right now, I one hand wash theater, brother. Any link we can get for you, when I say, New Merciless, it afford you and live your life. Because you have talent. You see what I say? Yeah, man. That's how we do it, man.
No, man, it makes sense. Even I seen the other day, This man here is running off the internet wicked. We're talking about Fambo.
Yeah.
But then I seen him even post a video with you. How did you link with Fambo? Did you link with him from Shocking Vibes days or even before that?
Before that, man, Fambo one away, man. Fambo my brother, man. Cause you see, from a youth. From Fambo just coming to town and with the pan, he think, but Fambo, there and is a man where him vibes we have, me and him always click because him have the same energy where me have. Him born, Fambo born the 24th of April and me born the 27th, you know. So we energy cannot wrong, you know. And then, so how we and Fambo start link now, a record factory days and the whole of them time, even Scatterborrel them, because enough man not even know, say, Scatterborrel them and my friend them before them become engineer and me bring them go to Stephen Ventura studio and say, Stephen, teach man for do we use the boat.
From those times?
And yeah, man, Norris man them and me bring them to the road and say, come. Vegas them and me carry them to studio. When me carry Vegas John them a laugh after them and say, oh, them man sing up in a note. This is me I say. Me and him used to par. I wait to go a place named Queensbury, go check him. I can him say I'm a singer and I'm an artist and I saw me meet him and he said, brother, in I one group when him Tamlins or something. Me just had him say, yo, you can't do it. When I tell the man done with music and open one cook shop, you know. And when me stop and I buy food, and when me look at him, me see in a apron, and I say, what go on? And I say, boy, I know about the music. He said, nah.
Yeah.
You much food you have to sell for reach dumb plate money. I want to tell you, take up back the thing. You know what the man boss I don't know say him.
Okay.
I do up at Exodus studio one day, right? And I see the man walk in, well clean. Drive one Chris Honda. So you know, say the man come and yell me upon here and I say, what go on, man? John, what are you? You look like you fly out and record. The man look fresh. The man go in and grow in back him and gear and I don't know the nice studio do something. Then the man come back out, the man say, I touch our professor again and say, yo, I green got this in the dog, them money, dog, way and I beat me up, you know. And when him gone now, gear I said to me, say, but he look like he know him, man. You know him long time, man. I say, yeah, man, then my youth that run on Patrick City, man. Come like he fly out, like he make a money. Family them a deal him good. Yeah, Gary. So you don't know how that. Yeah, man, I know how you then Clifford Simmons, man. Me I use the power there. Yeah, Gary. Nah. I mean, it's Vegas, lot of him sing heads like, I say, what you say? The man, boss, I don't know, say I in Vegas, brother.
Them time.
And he remember his story, you know, because that man will see me at Port Royal. Me a sweet music and his wife go eat some fish at Port Royal one day. And the man, you don't know, so the man I tell sweet music the whole story. I mean, don't know say that him I tell him, man. The whole time I see him attack, I go in the car, man, I say, I tell Vegas, I tell him, say, you want him to support and every way used to do that. That's some mistake, brother. Me build people, man. You see, when I youth have a talent and he say, well, he might do a thing, me not discourage him. Because you never know where future hold, brother. You see me? And you see, in our business, that's the problem we're having in the business. Too much people is too corrupt and all for themselves and feel like them better. I don't feel like I'm better than nobody, man. Everybody have to live, man. Man have to eat food, brother. You see me, I say? Clean heart, we say above all things. You see me, that? So future Fambo now is a man who me always rate. Me and future never have a bad day yet. I'm talking. You see, future and merciless, the man they are two man way. The man there, when we meet up, a problem. Place mash up. Remember one time, you know, one brother named Mr. Fraser, you know, when we used to live as Lady Garden, you know. Mr. Fraser say he want to keep a dance down and over where he come from. See? I was driving school and my neighbor, you know, an elder. The man say, yo, I wish that DJ can get. The first man I say, yo, no future trouble. And then give me our money and I go tear future trouble. Remember 30 grand we go give him the entire time. Yeah. But a long time now, I say, yo, we are going to show them so the man put up flyers with me and future now and real. You see, night now, man, I drive one Honda car, you know, and we go pick up future Fambo now, you know. We have future trouble, so we are drive at one. But Mr. Fraser, I drive at one and out for drop and sleep, catch you with the elder, you know, see? And future in the front, you know. But me, I watch Mr. Fraser and I see my book, so, you know. But me not say nothing catch you. I will that friend, I don't want to look away, see? Hey, future boss out the whole thing, tell him, man, me nearly drop down, you know. After me, I say, me nah say nothing because this man is a elder, I don't want. Remember, I say, I look at you, you know. And when I go on and I say, man, I book 2 times, but me don't want to say it, you know. Yo, me say, me just hear future boss out it. Bull I eat one time. Say, yo, Mr. Fraser, what kind of idiot sitting there by my boss? But you know, the gringo can't drive, the man, the young and the young, trying, you know, you can't say, I really want to see you with me. Me say, yo, me say, fan, but tap in, man. Mr. Fraser makes the whole time. And you know, so we go down there now and we stay in one place and next day rain now. It's when the show time come. I say future Fambo go and someone sitting down there. The man run up and down, the man mash up the whole place. I say people them laugh till they nearly dead. But me just assure you say is a man like that way. Me and him will a joy. Anyway we meet up even when we are part with Beenie Man and so. A pure vibes. a vibe master thing, man. When them man they start talk, man, and start do something, man, you have to drop down for true, man. See? So even when me left from around Beenie, my future friendship never mash up, you know. Future is a man where anyway you see me, you know, we have to hold a vibe, because we're real friend that. So it's when me see him come out now, I'm a chat on something. So something where I chat now. I done know everything already and I done talk already. But you see now, I don't come for dwell. Pan so sitting. If I talk on something, I don't talk. You understand? I don't have to dwell upon it. So it's when I see him come, I know say I really feel a way for try me. I said, Jano, Fambo, Jano stars, Jano, you would hold it. And you see, it thing just explode because through him natural. And him just being himself. So from him turn on him phone and talk something, people are going to just gravitate to the real energy and say, yo, we have to hear what this man has said.
Real drama, man. The real, listen, but that's why I said, I can't imagine being one place with you and Fambo in the same place, boss. You'll get joked till you
Yes, you're going to drop down. You see, even Merciless, though, that man is a joker. Merciless is a man where, hey, I the only man who can call my phone at 4 o'clock a man and me answer call. You see, anytime that man call you, you have to drop down. The man was talking some holy thing and you have to just dead, man. The man full of joke. Yo, when the man did, I first thing that me thinking, I say, yo, so who will give you joke now? But you see, when you're entertainer, it's a thing where just come natural. Even elephant man, them, you just there on them, and then just a chat on sitting and you have to just say, yo, what kind of man this is? A mad man, you know. Even Bunty is a man who talks over sitting and you just did and appear like a show, you know, a drama, you know. You see me? So you see, when you're entertainer, it's a thing will come natural. You have to just be real, because people have to be happy, and you have to keep them happy. And that's how it works. You understand?
Yeah.
So you have to big up Fambo now and where I do now one. Boy, I just wish him all the best. I just want him make you right now and set himself right way. And you know, because we are a big man in life, you know, brother. And right now we cannot take chances and just lose chances like that. Just do the right thing, brother. Focus on yourself. I'm glad for what I go on. I love to see what I go on for Fambo. I feel proud of him. You see what I say? Because I know him have it long time.
But listen, he's a man that boss, that man's lucky. He boss about 3-4 times already, you know, boss.
The man now stop bossing, man. I boss every minute. Not even balloon about so much, man. I Fambo that, man. I want to with that, man. We're glad for him, man. All right, now anybody bad mind Fambo. You're really wicked, yeah, man. Because you can't bad mind real people, you know. When things happen for people, you have to just allow them make it happen for them. Because you don't know. We know a journey. So even Grizzly Cat, you see me a roll. Remember when we were little youth out there at Spanish Town? Grizzly Cat a come down and I rent some big old fat car. Yo, bring come in. I will go to studio. And he must give him money for Vice and he must spend him money around the people them in the music. And I tell you, say them time, them a youth like 21 and him about 24. And remember them things from them the days, the brother, because I don't forget things. So you see, even when I come here now, I will party and I tell him back something. Not even him no remember, you know. But I say, Grizzly, you do it, brother. And what you do, I tell you. I don't tell you nothing, I don't pretend. Just like me. Sometimes I go to some place and meet some people, them tell me something what I do. Not even me no remember king. But that's how life go from you do good, it a go follow you, man. You see me I say? So we no hold on people glory. You see, from we know say you do the thing, brother, we just give you glory and make you live king. You see me?
Makes sense.
Yeah, man. A happiness we say, man. We're happy for everybody, man. We don't try bad mind people and try to talk like, yo, and forget things. We remember everything. Just like I always say, muscle. I interview goddamn, we have to check muscle. They run the interview thing and we like what I do. Because a whole heap of things you make me learn. When I sit down and watch your program and me hear some selector talk something where me never know, okay. But watch your program, them in a big box, me turn up, me sitting, you know. And me listen, if me do something else, me listen, you know. Because what I do is very important to the music. You understand?
It means a lot coming from somebody like you that's seen a lot, been around in the industry. You had some highs, lows. You've experienced everything in this industry.
Yes, man.
And to hear you say that to me, it really, really means a lot.
Yeah, man. At the first, I meet you, you know. And it's a joy for me to go. All along, me and you link me come like me, I know you already.
100%.
I when I step out of the vehicle and I walk to you, look while me and member say, so the first me I go to muscle now. You see me I say?
In real life.
So it have to happen, brother. It's a history. Enough people interview and they don't know you same way I know, you know. Well, see me I know, we are muscle apart. I will up here. You hear me I say?
Yeah.
Mad thing, my general.
100%. So
Yeah,
even,
man, big up.
how long were you and Fambo over at Shocking Vibes for together?
All right. You see, first thing, whenever they are Shocking Vibes, you know. Because enough people say Shocking Vibes. You see me? I never have a song released by Shocking Vibes.
What?
I never voice for a rhythm for Shocking Vibes. No. The reason why, when I roll, a Beenie Man may I roll with, you know. So if Beenie Man go a Firelings for Vice, I just me there, you know. I will make a song. Tell them not tell me nothing. Cause this I get to something. Babylon not pull me, but I was done. And they will say, yo, I'm producer for Mixing Lab. We have a go up. So it's like me I work with Beenie Man. So Shocking Vibe now is a different crew. See, when me and Beenie Man apart with their farmer thing when him Beenie Man did farmer thing, I label him Current Box. One at a time.
Okay.
And then put out 2 tunes with me. One with me and him and Brian and Tony Gold. One with me and him, 3 tunes. One with me and him and Twiggy. And one with me and him and, no, me one and ARP. But you know, say, when him release the song, the ARP song, sometimes they record a release, right? Them print 2,000 records, you know, and by the next 2 days done, you know. And then no more no print back, you know. The song start take off at Japan, sound man a come for dub plate, and then no more record no release. No. And then the one with me and Brian and Tony Gold and Beenie Man with a song and said, some boy them only bad where everybody knows their name. But I don't work with name nor fame. Peace you want your life sustain. This bad man your blood will drain. You only bad where everybody knows your name. Where everybody a predict that this is gonna be a hit. Yeah. Because him have the guitar up and them and say Ernie Ranglin, which is the greatest guitarist in Jamaica. Him say Ernie Ranglin, what you know about this? And then Nigel staff them in the studio, we build the rhythm and everything set for blow up. And then you see when brother, man, tell you, know, everything set for blow up, king. Like everybody, I say, yo, I hit this now. And then everything does crap. Like, man, I say nothing, and it does nothing more no happen.
So the song didn't come out, or what happened?
The man, me not see no song release, brother. I don't know what going on. But I'll on radio him there talk now, say, yo, Gringo, a wicked DJ now, and we're going to send him on the road now, and Cause I'm convinced, say, yo, this man for going to take piece of the thing, you know. And me I tell you, brother, the rhythm, them bill, everything, do song mix, everything. Them release the one with me and ARP, and them print 2,000 record on the Current Box label. And when the record them print, them sell out, boom. And then the next 2 tunes I line up now. The song with me and him and Twiggy was a song about old friends do, but it was a peace song like he sing over. And I must come together, even like we are sing about peace, like the people them come together. All right, and then the one with Brian and Tony Gold, the bad man one. See, me mean saying Brian and Tony Gold them come singing a bad man, rhythm a play, rough cut band string up, everything I do, you know. And the man up on the TV, I say, yo, a gringo where I put a road now and rare and a film time now that you have to go a road now. And then I tell you, say nothing more. Like, I when we ask, it's like, that man have nothing to tell me. Yo, Lord, that man. I mean, I look into it and say, John don't start, cause you know that you and you're there on a king like that, you know. And him say, a few time now, cause you did it, I do your work for him and I help you. And me just load that, and then they say, after that now, I tell you one time I get discouraged, king. Cause it's like, my mind get messed up, my man say, yo, it's like me just at work, and it's like, remember I say, only reason why me there on the thing, you know. We are work at that team, through my thing for push out, cause that's the plan.
Yeah.
And man I say, yo, work with me, I'm going to push you out on the road and take care of you, make sure your thing good too. See it? So after we did that, we mash up the stage show, then we do everything where the thing is to get the record them out, king. I make people know me too, so I can get my work them too. When me look it now happen. And when you talk, it's like, you know, if you talk, so. But she said, this now go my way, you understand? Me not run with guy England.
Oh, so that was a time when you left to go to England at that time then?
Yes, because I was stressed and I was really depressed. Like, you see, the music thing is that thing where we're mad here too, you know.
What?
If you're not strong. So it's like you're in your bed at night time and you cannot sleep, bad man, because you want to put your thing out there and then you're doing everything that you should do in order to get it out there. Because if you mash up the stage show them, you know, and people rate you like that, you know, them waiting to hear your thing out there now because they might expect you. And then it not happen. So it's like me just get away and say, yo, me have to move, go something, me can't take it. Because me feel like me being exploited now and like, me just want to get out of that circle, yeah. You understand? But as long as me there in Jamaica, I could not get out of the circle.
Why would you say that? Because that's what I was going to ask you. Couldn't you say, okay, this, you don't really feel it's going to happen for you here. Say, okay, I'm going to go on the road and go try somewhere. Why didn't you try going somewhere else?
No, but you cannot do it like that, even now. That's why I get all these hatred and all these disrespect, because I try to do my own thing. Because when you're in this entity, this is like a football team, right? And you're there and you're building the team and you're a part of the team. When you want to leave, it's not that easy. If you don't just walk away. You start feeling as if you step, anything can happen to you because it's going to come across as disrespect. And you don't know how to explain your point. So the best thing to do is get out of the island. When I get out of the island, I went to England and I was there. I keep hearing the same words that I wrote. I hear them everywhere. And I'm like, what? They're here too. These words follow me around the world, right? And in my mind, I'm like, yo, this is crazy. So what is happening, you know, man? You're over there, you're trying to live a normal life and you're trying to get over all the stress and everything. And then in your mind, you're still like, yo, this is crazy. You're going, so I find a publishing company. It's Harry Tadler telling me about this company, you know.
Okay.
Harry Tadler go down there and then give him £3,500. And he called me and they went, yo, Showowski, are you them want to sit down at that place? Said, dog, you know, just that place, the people them give me money. So I tell my wife about it, right? Because I change my life and say, yo, you hear me? A married life, me I live a decent life. And
So you were trying to leave music when you went to England. Yeah.
I'm trying to walk away from music. Because music is too stressful, it will mad you. And then I'm trying to live a normal life now. I'm training to drive a coach now. And get paid and finish with this thing. And I'm there. And when I go to the publishing company, these people put heater on me and give me coffee. I say, you sit right here. I start to bring up something on the computer and say, yo, the first money I'll get a £15,000 just for sign to the company. And by the time them look, them say, listen, you see you, something out there for you, we can either take it to the court or you have to get this paper sign off or what. So I say, no man, you see, when them explain to me what them are going to do with the court case, I didn't want that. Because I don't want to be the one to say, I mash up and get a youth career, you know. And Beenie Man is an icon. And in my heart, Beenie Man is a man with me respect as a brother. You see? And I say, I don't want to really hurt a man career, you know, that. Because I'm in a bad mind. So you what? No matter what happens, me go down and work out things with him. And make we get this thing signed up so I can get some money, see? So it happened that my father did and I go back to Jamaica now and I really go check him. But in that same period, you know, Bogle dead. So when Bogle dead now, it's like me there in my yard now, I watch the TV and people I say, yo, Ray mix up and be a problem. See, man I say, yo, come on, killer, see? So me there I say, yo, one of my boss from America called me and I say, yo, they want to kill your boy called Ray. You have to go save him now. So in my mind, I say, oh, I'll save this man. I don't know nothing about that. I don't know what I'm going to do, you know, King. I don't know nothing about that. Car. And then the man I say, you can't do it, man. Ray. I'll send a grand come here tomorrow. That time my boss when him dready from Claremont. He live in New York. Remember they have a dance for life, brother.
Yeah.
Let me tell you. You don't know what I say. When the man say, I send a grand come in, you see me? Me love money bad enough. I don't deal badness. You see me? I don't deal badness in that. I deal with money. And woman, vehicle, house, life me deal with. Happiness, brother. Things where enjoy my life. You see, anytime I start to gun and badness, I start fret. Because I say, yo, it's either we're dead or we're going to prison. You know? So I don't believe in that. I love being myself and I love being free and happy. So when me say, boss, say, I'm going to send a grand come give me next day. I never think, I say, wait a second, I'm if you see every man, maybe I'm if you true. I'm going to bed. I'm going to bed, go sleep, that. I wake up in the morning about 7:30. I walk around the house, go sit down. See? I have one paper and one pen in my hand. And I said, then where is somebody I go sing? Say, no, because no song can save this, you know. All right, I'm around there. I remember my granny used to sing one song. One talent have I to take to the sky, while others are blessed with 10 of the rest. Why should I complain from duty? Refrain, oh never, not I. R.I.P. Mama Roslyn Kali. I'm a hero that, see? See, you know what I'm saying? I say, you know, say a church if we go for you. Them tell one bag a lie, and I sell them some fight. One come frame I and I, but me know how dance I die. But I trust the most high, the limit is the sky, and I will never, ever stop from try. But I would have touched about me. When you know, say, me have music, me study. Me not kill nobody. Cause if I mean, I took like half hour to write that song. So when my nephew come downstairs, which is God, right? Fire. Yeah, man, big up my nephew God, because he have me weakness to everything. He know everything, you know. See? And you know, so the man, he bring a cup of tea, come downstairs, go and give me. And I say, yo, God, hear that one. And I start singing, making hear. The man ride out on his bicycle and go tell the whole line friend of mine in some city, say, yo, the boss over here that work and sit and see if the man go see a Beenie life, you know. The man have a wickedest song, you know. So I just know, bam, and call Beenie phone. Yo, when him Tristan answer the phone. And I say, yo, you don't know, sir, the boss can't talk to somebody called Rick. I say, yo, I say, yo. And the boss, and the whole lot of me have on a life in my shirt pocket right now. I did it, I'm going to do that. The boss grab the phone same time. Me here be in the company phone and a ball. I think I want to go get when I did you sell it. Yo, my brother, you know what go on dog with. I say, what on there? He said, you run a Danai Williams. I say, yo, I soon come check on him. And I just, you see his song, the way his song long. Me have to cut off one eye verse, you know, and shrink it back down to 2 verse, you know, 2:16, you know.
So that wasn't so what we hear wasn't the original.
No, it was originally 3. And then I said, no man, this is too long. And I shrink it back to 2:16. And then I say, all right, I tear out the page out of the book, so I'm ready. And I reach out like gate and the security no one let it. Nobody call the thing set away. And when they call and say, Don Mafia, Gringo, see? Because I don't name Mafia yet, you know, a Gringo, you know. I don't know say when the money is there, a Gringo, then they let him in. General, nobody no laugh. From that, the saga they go on. Everybody just do it with a fret, you know. And you see when me pop out the papers and start singing song, you know, and mash up. And when me look there and say studio right now and whoop sitting and, brother, Dan Carly want to come, you know. Because right now, you know, the man I said, the more voice, I read him with shocking vibes that were right. I said, nah, man, shocking vibes with him slow right now, man. And then I know, say, me I tell him, well, I'm to Carly want to read, but through the done voice a song. Because I remember saying a song when he Chaka Chaka AK over the wall.
Yes.
Me and him did go up a shocking vibe like a week or two. Go up a Dan Carly when he plays up a Mona. And we go make that song there. See? Because me and man I roll and I make his song there, brother. And my voice on the tune. On the rhythm, my voice on tune him. Here say, him say, she say. She say, him say. Jim say, Tim say, Kim say, Caroline say. See, because Dan my boy too, you know. The first set I don't play it, we don't ever play in our life. And me do them film when we run a Black Scorpion, a little youth, you know. And we go a Black River and we meet back then and Dan. And Dan father own he place down the way both them there and own much alligator. And then man they carry me go meet alligator. You know. Shake me a shake alligator and I say, yo, alligator, where I go? Yeah. So as I was saying, that was a commercial break. Back to the real thing. See? When me go in the yard and draw this as a you know, and mash yard mash up, you know. Dan Carly wanna me tell him and say, I Carly wanna read him, you know. You have to vice upon it. It's about vice upon it already. I say, yo, my boss. I call you when you read him, I come shot the road. Because you know call you when you drop a big juggling pan it. So we go up a student all the time, studio up a Beenie Man apartment, same way, you know, Mona. But he not stay up there. Because he grown hot. See? That a Mario C studio, you know, in a back room, you know. See? And I tell them, I go in there and demo a song, you know. And Beenie Man did it and we play a song. And just when the man go in there at night and voice the song, brother, Dan Carly want it. Call me in a car and tear about 50,000 give me, you know. Yeah, the man, yo, the man will give you 2 million since day. I say, where? The man say, yo, I save this, I save him, man. All right, I tell the man, say, take down the keyboard. Yeah, go play this as it, yeah. Pam, 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 pam. Everybody got sleep, you know. And me and Carly one in a studio, you know, till the light. And
So
the man
this is
say,
after the song is voiced, now you guys are mixing and fixing it
I'm
up.
mixing, man, I'm mixing, I tell him, say, yo, you have to play that for upon it. Everything, I mean, him did it until the light. That's how I do music, you know. It's a music-aholic, you know. Me no, nothing else make me happy, you know. Me no drink, me no smoke, nothing, you know, brother. I say music. Me just sit down and do music whole day, whole night, daylight back, me no remember, night come down back, I saw me do music. Because I saw me see King Jammies them do it. When I look for you, round a Jammies studio, me in a Jammies studio, I me no know when night come down, you know. The man in the work have a timing. So it's when we do up, let's know, when the man done mix the song in a jack, you see when the man done a deal like 10 o'clock. See? And then you see when the man saying go get DJ Wayne. And DJ Wayne play on IRFM first, you know. Brother, a 45 minutes straight the man play a song for you. That's all my nephew call me and I say, yo, you like some city I tell me so they hear the thing dark. I trim done I tell them before, you know. Say, yo, my uncle have one song for give me and I go save in life. And then the song was bust with that's by the next day. BBC I call him phone at 97, everybody man I say fastest song this never get to go viral and all that. See it? And I just show me just go in and my brain box and think, you know. And I say, I dreaded do it. If you dread and tell me that me wouldn't even think that I never know me could have do that. You understand? So that might tell you more than I do something where you're not even know a king.
Okay. So then I remember this song, big song, you wrote the song and all this. Remember, you just came down from England. You're understanding the business now. Did you guys decide to take care of the business when that song came out now?
Of course, because when the song come out, you know, when I tell no lie, see Beenie Man still, him know, say, this man here deserves something, you know. As I'm telling you, say Beenie heart, you know, set him free, you know. Because he know it in himself. He said, Don Mafia, a good youth, and if he get certain thing and certain thing for right with that youth there, you know. Because him knows me no hate him, you know. Because all I interview them ever do, me never hear talk like me hate him. Or me I put him down. I love him and respect him as my musical brother way. Me know before nothing I go on for him. See, no DJ way hear me talk about, me no hate. Because me know all of them, from them was nothing. See, like Bounty Killer, Beenie Man, Kartel, Mofada, and me glad for them glory. Me no put down no man. Even if I say I'm a man, clash on stage, this and that, me no hate none of them, brother. I'm music ready and we love people. See, you see when that go on, me tell Beenie Man, say, yo, you see that back money there, me say, yo, you no treat me wicked in a part one, you know. I mean, I change my name, you know, and I done Mafia thing now, you know. No, me not tell him say my name change. Here a song with me and Chico. Because Mario he put out already name Bama Drop. See? And me, and we come and do one tune band name False. See? But you with the false foot and the false hand and the false yeah, see? So that was Gringo and we come on. And then Mario C now. You see Mario C? He's a genius producer, you know. And me rate him, you know. Even though all the time me and him no deal or something, but me no bad mind, you know. A good youth, you know. Me don't know what that. After a while, him start pre me and him start move some way with me. But me not even bad mind that youth, man. I pay love me for him because me sister a real producer. See? The man tell me, you know, in the studio, I say, Don Mafia, I want to put a next tune, he might say, Gringo, I want to put a next tune and I ready me with you, you know. But me don't want to use the Gringo name. So you see Don Mafia name now, me did have that in my head from 1993 when me the Mandeville grew amongst Otar them, you know. Because the Mafia thing is a youth named Kevin Meister, you know. The man they say I'm my first manager, you know. And he might tell me, say, yo, you see yo? So suit if you put on them thing there name Don Mafia and walk with one walking stick. So all him tell me that no, me never ready for change yet, you know. Because me and Chuck Fender them a par, you know. And me I tell them, say, yo, you know, say me I go wear some suit and put on some sit down and said animal say, no man, you have to go and work with the Gringo thing, you're not ready for that yet, man. I mean how hold it same way and I say Gringo, but you see no, me I say no, me get the perfect opportunity now. You want to marry see. I Don Mafia me for name you. I'm write a song now. What's it? Y'all you are your man, they from your little bit and I grow. Whoa, a girl a drop from outer space and want come reap where she never. And him say, yo, Chico me a go call. So when Chico come now, we give Chico the hook and we sing the song. So when we record the song now, Don Mafia and Chico, Beenie Man must did this somewhere or what, but he come in a evening now and he go in a studio. Because the label where them I wrote Mario C thing, was like Beenie Man and Blue and Mario C. Them I say, them I produce the song them. See? So Beenie Man, I listen to song them. So he hear a tune with me and we come and everything. You see when him hear the one with me and Chico, the man said, a DJ the body man, or he sound like Gringo do. And the man them start laugh. And then them I say, a Gringo man. Yeah, where's it? And the man come out and do come and touch up and say, Don Mafia. That the name them and you out. Where you get that name? I wicked his name. Like it. I it we I work with. So now I say, yo, they not so we are gonna start up Mafia house, brother. Cause this Mafia house thing actually studio in a house. But a Mafia running studio. Cause then time they are me running studio, you know. the gate have a lock. Beenie say, I can't go, me now. Because he said, this man enough to get let out of the yard. Because if I come and find a song, boy, you both sitting and lift up back the company. The man tell the security when he brown man, say, man, lock up the gate. Man, I hide all my car keys and me enough to go home in a dan. Me have to buy clothes day by day now. If me go down the road, that somebody have a camera, the man tell me enough to drive out. Can you know say me mad enough to drive out and not come back now? See it? And when you look, you know, I saw Mafia house start. Because Mafia in a house, you know. See it? I in a Beenie house with there. I sleep in a studio. Because I saw leather hashtag we put together so. And I sleep on that, you know. Because some stay when I do music, me sleep on the floor, yeah, so from me love wake up and see computer over me head, you know. Right next part of me that, you know.
Ready to work.
I don't like to sit around doing nothing. Right now, them a waste me in a reggae. Because me one cannot do the amount of song when me have in my brain. Or the amount of song when me can make, me one can't do them. Me that man call me computer brain, you know. And me that man now, me love sleep in a studio, brother. And wake up back and see computer. I'm happy. When me there a studio, me don't have no yard. Me don't want to go home no yard. Me don't want to sleep in a bed. Me love feel like me there somewhere do something. Because when me turn on that, I hear the rhythm, I me that. I hear my voice man it. So when the man said that now, we I say a Mafia house we I start now. So when the Mafia house thing kick off, me not tell no liking. We have to brave up back now because at the time I road for touch a man and fret and I say, yo, fret what? Road. And carry him gone all show and sit and me I lead the company now. When me I walk in front of Beenie Man, 1,000 man they back at me. And the brother them not back at me. Why? Walking in the line after me. Correction. 1,000 man can't back at me. Why? Why? So, this is when that happen now. Every producer come with their rhythm, me advice for the rhythm them, you know. And I write the song them, you know. Some of them producers are wicked, you know. They want to get Beenie and the rhythm, you know. If you go sell the rhythm and make money. When they advise my song, they don't really put my song I wrote, you know. And Bounty Killer is a man who will tell them, say, yo, you have to put out Bring Girls, but don't have voice, you know. Beenie Man not depend that. Beenie Man just want the next hit. Because it's all about him. I'm my king, I'm my lead out, see? And we are giving me a thing to carry as a boss, see? But when the Bogle thing hit now and the thing take off, me tell him, say, yo, remember, say, one back money there for me, you know. We are going to go on with that now. And he dumb. When me tackle him back with him, can't believe, you know. Because this is a thing we come up before, and he tell me be a rare and, you know, so, and now, you know, me approach him serious now. Say, yo, remember, say, when something they did there, you know. If you start out, you know. And I want some money now, you know, because I know me wicked in a part one, you know. And a part second. Because when I go two. Just when me give me paper for read. He roll up the paper, so. He turn it, so. He turn it upside down, so. Yo, the man do every damn thing to this paper in a car. The man I try to figure out, say, what this man going to bring for me. But you see, due to what you see me can do with this Bogle business, and free him up back, make it real, start accepting. I say, yo, Blue, pass the pen then. They said, Blue, give me pen. I say, man, I try to interpret the paper in a Spanish, French, everything. The man I try to find a way how to tell me, say, nah, say, but he cannot tell me. Because you see, him within himself, he know that this is a boy, I can't this him still, you know. Beenie Man can't this me, I'll know. I'll hear him chat up him out. But then see me now and dance and walk and yell me, you know. Shake me hand, boy. Don Mafia, my brother. I made a shake your hand, because all these years, you're going like, you know, and you know what thing is all about, Beenie. Just do the right thing. Don't tell no lie. You know me, and you know say me I really out to you. See? So, when he sign the paper now, see? And this is the problem start now. Because you know, say, big meeting call up you know, with my management. Because they say, what kind of paper this you go sign? You're mad, a problem paper this. Because the man must say, you know, how much money collect off of these songs already where I don't get a dollar, you know. See? So when my company start pursue for them publishing, and they must say, nah man, they want to pay you X amount for them a song already. So, and they must say, but Mr. You that didn't get anything. So, when the management hear that management, I said, no man, how you have to sign that? Your mother problem paper that you have to sign, you know. So they call me now and meet now and promise me $10 million. 10 million. Me about 10 million. Me say, Daddy, you don't give me that quick. Me the business done with the big case, car. But I want that 10 million right now, you know? Because if me I work all along, I never get nothing. I'm here about 10 million. Them the most glad. So then say, you what? Next week, Friday, 2 o'clock, 10 million. Me nobody sleep for the rest of that week then. And 1 week, me don't sleep for you no home for me sleep to it. Because me know, so when you don't sleep, that mash you up and make you sick and dead, you know. Well, me hear about 10 million. Sleep where? Me can't lock your eye. I call me account and me eyelash them and say how much your eyelash. And I have to find out how much teeth in my head. Me have everything else for do about sleep. This 10 million, you know, Daddy.
Yeah.
Fear hear about 10 million after all these years of slavery. Me mean that slavery me I got you, you know. Sleep and stew the floor, right till my finger head hurt me, everything. I me never get a check. And when me start here, say, them your man, why wicked this man, them in our music. Say, me, I go get 10 million, then I will settle this outside of court. Me call my company and say, yo, them your man, give me one big money. Nobody can send them a prison. At 10 million, me about it, Daddy. I'm glad, you know. You see, next Friday, before the light, me be there already, you know. At 2 o'clock, I meet, I'm ready for 5 o'clock now, man. Because I well want since 10 million, you know. You know what it is if I get paid for something where you do all these years and know say you don't get nothing and the man finally agree to give you something now, you know. And true, you don't know what I say. When I go in, brother, 2 o'clock, you know. Bro, I walk in the office and see management face, I know them I go dead for hungry, you know, because I don't see no 10 million look now in this office. The boss just sit down so serious up and I don't see nothing. So I say, what go on? I remember say, well, boy, you know, so something that will come in on. Boy, you know, come in. So I wait for years, say, what, 5 did they, what, 6, what, 3, what? And then nothing no come in. Brother, you know what it is? For you say, I collect 10 million, and when you go and man I tell you, say, nothing no did they, brother. But not 10 grand that you know that. I'm in life this now, you know. I tell blows and skirt, my nephew, everybody say, yo, I rich Friday, man. Boy, them will give me a piece of money. Give her. Dead. Man, them a tell me if I go choose one car, and them I go pay for the car every month. So I say, they no car, me I drive already, how much car, so I can drive 2 cars. Yo, me no want no car, brother. Cash me want. They say, boy, we gonna talk something. So you see to me not tell me that, brother. Me feel hurt now, you know. Me tell them man take me for real fool in the dark. Yeah, yeah, me done with a company and to me. I write no more song or nothing now. So you see when me say that, it lead to a thing where my life become like, you know, value nothing more. Because me attack, like me I go done with the thing now and like them I say, I disrespect that. But me can't do nothing more. Me tired, brother. Me exploited now, my brain. First, because if you don't go so near, forgive me money. I make me I believe back in now, no as my friend, and then me look on still turn me down now. That means that make no sense. I say to me rebel this now. Me start rebel dog, I tell you. Because enough things go on now. We got foreign, and we meet Hulk Hogan, and me see Hulk Hogan and them say, yo, listen me, man. When me see Hulk Hogan, you know, I start muscle up like me a wrestler, you know that. I start talk like Hulk, you know. I say, hey, Father Hulk, how you been doing, man? Can I tell you how I meet Hulk Hogan? Yeah. We are come from one hotel at Miami Beach, you know. I will stop at one stoplight. And when I look, I see Hulk across the road with the big towel around his neck. And his wife and 2 pigs. And I say, Beenie, Hulk Hogan, that, oh, we not tap until the man sitting car. We want to meet this man in life, you know. They don't know what I say. They might laugh and think a joke. That's the whole day me vex, you know. We go over one restaurant. I was on youth to me over there, I say, oh, you want my friend mix up sorry and I give a joke and them I say, don't you not tap on yellow Hulk Hogan. Because I whole day they on my mind. I say, oh, you say Hulk Hogan? I say, nothing, you're mad.
Oh, well, so you seen him one time and you didn't get to hail him, so you're determined you're going to see the man. My mind the whole day.
You see, night, we go over Hit Factory Studio. So we there work on one album, you know. The album will be the man, you know, one boxing glove sitting. Where you never get? Because I don't know if my thumb down to me a ball for my money, you know. Because I turn, me quarrel over money, you know. Yeah. He know, you know. I'm a boss, you know. Me used to grumble, like me used to grumble without in here till me start grumble to him now. Because you a carry me go do all these work, you know. Every time we get money, me can't get no money, you know. So now must you me fi start cuss now. Every time me call you say, yo, don't worry, man, you sort out it. And by tomorrow when he get his song in a member. I say, you know. But in my mind, me no hate him because I say, I'm a general see him. We go and work with him. Because he must have go do back at it. I know the man no do nothing, you know. Me I go vex again when me talk. Make we go back to the Hulk Hogan story. You know what I say when me say Hulk, I'm a vex the whole day and I said, no man, we chat to Hulk, you know. How we see Hulk and I said nothing to Hulk. Hulk them I done in a TV from a little, you know. So you know what I say, we go over Scott Star studio night in a general. After we come out of Ivan, you know, we have to with Triton, you know. In our X5, you know, Triton was like, just give me the light and power of the joke. Our boss that big up Triton to, see it? Our friend. Then you know what I say, me hear one big laughing in our room. And I said to Blue, say, you see that laughter over here? I told somebody laughs in a foreign, you know. Either Santa Claus or Hulk Hogan, and I don't know, Christmas time, so I don't know what Santa and do ya. Man, I Hulk in there, you know. Then I know, say, me I walk, I take to the room so careful. Come here, I say, who the laugh your sound so? When I look at Hulk, I sit down in our meeting with some Holy man with Warner Brothers shirt and prayer. So you see, when I see Hulk now, I decide to me, half we talk to Hulk now, you know. I not pass back Hulk.
Now it's your chance.
So I tap by doorway and turn up. Beenie them tap for a minute and then they walk gone run next to me. Nah pass Hulk. Because you will watch at Hulk and you can't tell me nothing. I don't business where we did come about. So you know, say meeting the day I go and I turn up see you where I look. In a meeting, you know. I'm in there, you know. Out I do me there fast and people in me, you know. I know, say, once me see talking calm down, but just put on a wrestler image now. I must look. Because I have to put on one sitting to make them a people as they see wrestling. And Dad walk to Hulk with my hand touch on something. I say, hey, Father Hulk, what have you been doing, man? You're the god of the game, man. I've been watching you from. I talk to Hulk like a Hulk, you know. Hulk, I look at me like him, I say, I hold this, I'm me, I want different. yeah. You know what I say? When I shake him and so, I turn up him and turn up, you know. I shake me and say, hey, man, how you been doing? And I said, listen me, Father Hulk. I saw you this morning in South Beach, man. I wanted to say hello, man. Yeah, I'm Don Mafia from Kingston, Jamaica. I'm going to chat to the man and take over all I meeting. That's, they see meeting where I keep, the man them are dead with laughing, you know. The big businessman them are dead, you know. I want brother with here, one souls here, man. I want a big Rolls Royce when I drive, you know. Brother, when you go over that studio there, you see X5 where we going, you know, it come like our lawnmower, you know. And we can cut the land, you know. You drive a Range Rover and go like a dark teeth and crush. A private jet, the man them had a weed pan, you know. The man them rich. Pay a Benz with some door going up in a year or something. I pay a millionaire business, brother. I hear say cool and the gang and some type of people you hear about in a movie. And them around there. And when me look, me see Hulk, and me I tell Hulk some sitting one. You see, we me a reason with Hulk wife, you know. And in two youth them, you know. His daughter named Brooke, you know. And his little son named Junior Hulk. Them a laugh too, you know. So me take over me now and I chat and rare. And I say, come on, let's go around the studio, man. And we and I walk. So me start give them the Hulk walk. And the whole Hulk family I walk back at me, you know. Mama Hulk, Papa Hulk, Son Hulk, Daughter Hulk, Puss Hulk, Puppy Hulk, Hog Hulk, Donkey Hulk, Hulk them in America. And they get a Hulk. Every Hulk where you can't think about. And me them a follow now, you know. And we carry them around the studio with Beenie Man then now with Scott Starch. So this when I walk in the studio, Beenie Man in the voicing room, you know. And he take our back headphone and come out. And blow a call in front and tell them, say, yo, that's my father easy, you know. This is how the man shout down that all cook and the man. That's how man I wake up them picnic, you know. All 100 miles up the road, man, then I wake up them baby, you know. I drive, come down here, so if you take a picture with all, because I know me have a picture with all, you know. Because that me I tell you the way I live life, I don't know, but we no business with picture and nothing, we just I live, brother. See?
Just want to meet the man.
So you know what I say? After we done now in the studio, they want to come out now. Me sit down the same here and I say, so what you doing here? I mean, I talk to all now, because I take over all brain and now, man believe in me now, you know. And his wife, I show a big canvas here and I want cup and give every minute. I drunk this when I come for drunk me, every minute, you know, hold your glass. I say, all right, come again. And we a drink, and me a chat. But me a chat to Hulk in a standard English. And I give him beer drama. Because that is a hard thing to do, you know. Enough Jamaican, them cannot do that. So when them reach a foreign and see white people, them don't know if we give them drama in a English. But me have that luck. I was like, yeah, I'm start telling him something, so I laugh. So I say, what you doing here? And he might say, he might play some rhythm for his daughter album. Scott Starch is making 6 rhythm for his daughter album. And I say, hey, music? And that no I hear now. So you remember, I could tell Hulk, you know.
Yeah.
Hold on, give me a minute. It's a commercial break. Hold on. Remember, say, you know, me could have tell Hulk, say, you know, listen, you need to voice me on one of those tracks because I am Don Mafia and I am Ray. But I'm a boss, me a par with, you know, which is Beenie, you know, see? So 2 minutes was me not big enough like a Beenie them, see? Me not try if it go on like I'm a big star in my company, you know, see? I'm going to tell you, I better me to do that. Because after me tell him man that and I try him and I say, he was thinking about Shaggy or Sean. So me I say, yo, that's Beenie. Simmer, king of the dancehall. $1 million. Very, and ta pure good thing. And big up Beenie, you know. So he said to his wife, say, what do you think of what this man is saying? You hear his wife say, whatever this man say, I love his vibe. He's crazy. Hold your glass. That means that people them say, I work with my plan, you know. Some man from Mexico a jerky chicken with 2 shine gun pan their waist in a passage, you know. That's what them do they are running, you know. Man, them we a jerk chicken, they have 2 license gun pan their hip, you know. If you ever try TP side chicken, the man them start out your head back in that show. See? All the man. You see man we go buy liquor. I latest Lexus him a drive, you know, with the biggest bling, you know. I saw them man, the rich man, the card where they have to go buy liquor. 140,000 US a minimum panning at all times, you know. See? And I just send them man, they go shop, you know. So I pay rich people. They say, all right, come in our studio. Then camera in our next studio. Then put up a voice with Brooke Hogan and sing, right? And they have 2 16 bar in there. Were empty. Beenie Man love 16 bar, you know. He's a man who love chatting off lyrics, you know. And he love, you know, he love flip-flopping rhyme them, you know. If say my wicked is DJ, you know. And him cannot do that. Guess who have to do that? And me have to write that, you know. Even when he say, me come again, rip it up and mash it up again, me come again. Them a flip, them a him cannot write that. When we give him the song, then he might dash right people, then he go mad. I say, you're mad, I say, you have to do it. So, when me hear the song, I say, oh, give me a pen and a paper. And me start write the song. When me done write the song, you know, Beenie Man don't know what deal where I go on it, you know. I don't know what say. When the man done work when I next studio and come outside and sit down, he might ask, where me there? Because that man, you know, when me and him apart, you know, anywhere in there, you know, as he sit down, he ask, where Mafia there? Because I vibes, you know. And if Fambo there, he will not ask me, because Fambo them can hold up the energy. But he said, Fambo there, where want Mafia there? Because he knows that me come and me a chat some holy past it and he Mafia dead, see? Because him entertain the crowd and we entertain him, see? I don't know what said, when he asked me, you know, them I say, Mafia them, him a Hulk Hogan them and they want studio like them a cook up sitting in there. I saw him send call me now. When me go out, you know, when I say, what go on? I say, yo, I'm rich, very rich. He say, Hulk Hogan have advice for tonight, him. Yeah. So how the money I go? I say, which money? You can advise the richest man in America that worry about money. I'll give you a whole heap of money. He said, 10 grand more. I said, 10 grand? You want no money, Beenie. Come in the studio. I'm in the studio. I will have people so I tell him what to do. And I said, they must hold money. I say, yo, that's Vybz. Hulk Hogan have to pay where the richest man in America. I cannot give you money. Because you see, how many life go? You see, rich people, when you just want to tie up yourself in a business with rich people, you know. No fret about the money yet, you know, because them don't have that, see? A poor people, you worry about money for, you know. You don't want to double plate that you worry about. Yo, send the money come, because you know say some money are poor. You don't have it. Because I'm afraid to go buy 2 pounds of flour and sitting, you know, nothing. You see, man, very rich. He tell you, say, do 4 dub and rare, and say, okay, my boss, yo, engineer, run it ready. I'm not telling him about money yet, you know. Because money where you plan to tell him how good and more you going to get. And you know, say, when we done Vybz, the man I say, tell Hulk say 20,000 more. I say, yo, don't worry about Hulk. Hulk is going to give us a big money. This is our new boss now. Because your record now, you know. So you know, say, Hulk, give me my number, take me number, everything. And I tell him, say, man, I respect you, man, because I see you respect. Because I tell him about in career. Because how I stay, you know, I'm not afraid to give people in glory, you know. So you see, me I tell him about himself, how long me I watch him, what me see, you know. The man respect me for that. The man give me all one CD with the whole life story. The man I tell me, say, only wrestler when ever afraid of. I want when him, one with your animal. Like, when you again say that one there alone, he ever afraid of. See? And he tell me everything about himself, you know. So he give me a number, and I say, we link up tomorrow. And I say, Beenie, come. Hulk, I go give you your money. Rich. I will Hulk apart. Because if you record a song for Hulk, and me write it. What we are worried about? I rich, Hulk said tomorrow, just low Hulk can come. That's nothing about money. You then say next morning early, me asleep. No, me not sleep enough. Me wake up early, because I guess how me wake up early now. It's when me there foreign, me not sleep long in a building, you know. Because then time the twin tower just drop down no much longer and sit down, me say, me not sit down in a building in America, me ain't go drop down a building for me. Me wake up and I look out quick, give anything me can get up with, see it? You don't know, so me look at Hulk, I call. Pick up the phone and ring out. Me say, yo, hey, Father Hulk, how you been doing, man? And me say, man, we rolling down the highway. The kids are loving this track and we crazy about it, man. We guys, I'm saying, yo, we at the hotel now, man. We're going to come meet you. Where you going? He said, meet us over by the studio in an hour or two. Where's Beenie Boy at? Somebody say, he's sleeping upstairs. He said, wake him up, man. You guys got to hook up with me today, man. I have to see you guys. A big wrestler, I tell you that now, you know. I say, I just pass him, man, and I don't want to buy you, man, you know. So, we go upstairs, go, wake up, Beenie Man. Blue asleep over in the next room, you know. I have to knock him up. Say, yo, management, come in. Because Blue, I'm a boy, you know. I meet his Blue for drive up a whole pasture, you know.
Okay.
You know, one green now, van, you know. I said, boy, you have a ton manager. I'm a friend, you know. I youth when I rate and love, you know. And they know say me a good youth too. But when in the run Beenie, I eat that thing I go and then I defend me thing to and say, yo, that he can't talk to kind of friend. See it? But even Beenie himself know the truth. But Blue are my friend. So they no par again. So when he see me now, he give me my rating. But me I tell you, say me wake up Blue and wake up Beenie and say, come, ready up. Beenie that man ready quick, you know. By your quint him ready, you know. Blue him, father, the man they come like them and they go and eat one out of the head of the brush. Me don't know where man I do so long in a rat, man. The big star already enough here wait for him, you know. Try it and come pick you up back in. I don't remember if I want to range him a drive. He change the vehicle, you know. Got 3X5 coming like a lawnmower. He come now with the weed whacker. Because when you guys have to the Range Rover, them a weed whacker. Yo. So we jump up in a big old van now. We say, all right, we'll check Hulk now. We're done. So we come. So we go over there. Brother, Hulk driving now and I QX80 Infinity them, see? And when you look at you see, for me see all them, I just put on back the Hulk walk, you know, because I can't forget to walk, you know. As I see man, so, you walk, come back. Hey, Father Hulk, and the man have his food open and I play a song. And you man stay so bam now. I call me and Beenie Man in our business meeting now. And I said, listen, I don't know how to thank you guys, man. I love your energy and you work it good as a team and I respect the movements and we say, Hulk, you got to come to Jamaica, man, because we spread red carpet for you, man, and that time I was sitting here. That's what my Hulk come up. So my sister, and me making come in. When he go up on stage, the first man, he said, big up my friend Don Mafia, Beenie Man likewise, that day we went on media, you know. And me make him man come to Jamaica, you know, because me tell you, you have to come. See it? And the man never go come and hurricane and come and he say, nah, come. And one time I talk on the phone and then the Beenie Man them fly up to go meet him. And as Blue say, as they come out of here, put the first man, he asked for Don Mafia, you know. And they pick them, you know. Where's Mafia? Because they like me. Me come like family to them. And when me talk to Hulk, I say, listen, man, I'm here spreading out the red carpet, man. You have to come here. That time man say, nah, come hurricane and come here. And as me done talk to you here, you know what? Get the jet ready. We going to check Don Mafia. I'm a boss. I train dead. I'm not get back for meet him back, for tear him back right way. But anyway, me see him back. I have Steven Seagal them. They owe me, I know, they know to I'm a friend them, because when they meet me, the energy we have, then you can't forget me. So as I was saying about the money part. Because I never take long to talk about the money, because I don't want to talk sad part. The man give me one check for 50,000 US, you know. But I say 10 grand this time, and I say, you know, and 20 grand. The man write up one check for 50 grand. I hear a man say to Beenie Man, make sure you take care of Mafia Mania, because without him, none of this would have happened. Yes, when the man said that, I want to ball out still in the car, I say, I want to say, Dada, hear what I say. You couldn't tear that in a 2 or tear a quarter in the car. Remember, I wicked this boss and I whirl in that, see? But you guess what, I can't say so now. I cannot say so, you know, because you see the way the man go mention, say, he love the teamwork and we work and we. I said, John was there, he said, I go ball out here, so. It a go lily up back with thing make we look like we a fight over putans, you know. I say, I should attack for you, you know. But, you know, I saw about my spit, so I said, John, dog. Enough thing me hold, you know. Because I don't want flappy thing in the brother. Me say, I've been home, no ball, I'll know me want ball out, man. Me sure tell the man, say, all we are doing, give me one money for myself and tap it out, man. The man don't give me nothing that day, me I got this. But we are rule as a team. I said, John, I don't want to go look back like me too lame to and I drop back my thing, you know. You say, man, get the 50 grand, brother. And he must say, oh, Mafia, I forget the food in the dog. Query. Brother, I want to send a piece of food in my account, man, take account number, everything. You say, me retired. I say, after dead, the man not give me not even $1 out of Hulk money.
What you mean, man?
Man left me for suffer back. And from there, I start pre him now, you know. And I say, you know, say, this man don't mean me no good, man. How kind of man, how kind of friend them, dog? After me make this thing happen. Brother, every man give me 5 grand, I'm glad, you know. Because me I go say, at least my boss, give me something done. Encouragement sweet and damn labor, man. The man come for me one next night. Come wait me put on my bed. Man have one big ring in the dog. When the man knock you in there, my woman frightened, you know. My woman don't like him. Because my woman tell me, say, why you have to knock the window so hard? I mean, I was asleep. Bloom, bloom, man, knock him big old ring. So. Lord God Almighty, man come to me if I go to one place with him, we're going to Ireland, go work on something. No. We're going to eat a food now. That man I tell me, no, we're going to eat a food. Digicel 2020, something now. Remember I say, hold something go on now, you know. And I don't start get corrupt now, you know. I say, boy, John, no, this is a thing I get away, you know. So, you know, I say, when we go to Ireland, I go write the song. The man put me on a flight and send me back down the next day. And him gone to Antigua, one place, go meet one white man named John Sanford. We own Leah Airways, you know. That means that his management fly up and the chef and sitting that a fat man, and you name fat man from Craigtown. He my chef, you know. And the man call me, you know, from up there, you know, and I say, yo, you're rich, you know, you. I say, what do I? Yeah, I'll be here, the boss I talk about, you know. And you make him money, 132,000 US, the man must get fees and where right is it, you know. And the man attack, say, as he rich, I had Mafia for name of food, you know. You say, me hear that? I go for Beenie and sit down on the step, you know. I left all night, come down, I sit down, because from here, say, boss, I say, I have to go near my food when he come. I say, what? So much money, man, them get that, all right. I left go nowhere, I wait. When me look man come and I throw down about 7 CD, give me, boy, yo, you there ready, me I wear it. So I say, Beenie, where I go on? You need not to worry about that, you know. So what you say? So I saw me fling away CD them downstairs now, you know. And Tristan at the table, yo, what kind of thing? I said, Tristan, loud this, you know, music me do, you know. No business with you, you know. So when you see me on the boss, I want just low me on the boss, because we are dealing with the business. Then I know, say, from this up, I start get away, because it's true, we got frowns now. Then start pre me say, me have frowns from the boss. And I say, yo, them man don't mean me no good. So at them thing, it'll lead down to something, you know. Which in way, me have to go down with this company now, you know. And then me about 10 million. Me nobody get no 10 million. Me I go up on the show them. Me reach a point where when me go up on the show, you know, brother. Remember say I call this man, I used to call me up on the show, you know. And when me chat all 2 songs, he run me off on stage, you know. Come up on my stage. Yo, people, I bring him in, you know. Give him a run of applause. When they show them, nobody remember you, you know. See? Me start go to the show them by myself. Before him now. Go work. Because me want my own career, you know. Me don't want the man to call me, because me a work show a long time from me a little youth, and me name Gringo, you know. See? Well, I got a Capleton show, one year go work. I by myself. From this to the man I say, yo, I do the thing different. Because how me reach a show. I say, brother, then I don't want my own career to brother, because nothing I go. Me a write song, me not get no money. Me a work, me not get nothing. Everything just messed up. I got one show. Them start carry me go a foreign pan some whole heap of plane. Every minute pan plane. Me a man afraid of plane, you know, brother.
You don't really
From me I go pan plane afraid me start for it. And when me go a foreign, the money where them a give me a credit, me use that buy, you know. A foreign, you know. Because me I got a foreign from me little and me used to get me own envelope with my money for myself, brother. I don't know, can me go pan all board, show. When the night done, and I give me some key that money. You don't have enough flyers with me pan, you know, promote me. Nothing me not get out of this thing. So through that me start call the flight them. Like me, you say flight I left a man and me miss him from tonight. Because me no frightened over plane. Me want there Jamaica work on my thing. So you know, so one big show keep down a alligator pan and I go mash up the night and it come in a paper the next day. But them time then it does him and the angel thing now, the does go on with him and bounty killer. So me I tell you say, me go up on the stage now. Bounty killer they on the show, you know. So you know enough alliance there, you know. Me go up there and make sure you tell the people them say, listen to me. You see, this Beenie Man and Bounty and Angel thing, you know, but mix me up in it, because I'm a family counselor, I'm a married officer. I do music. Then, you see when me done that, the whole place mash up and everybody in the crowd. At least when I say I'm be forward, me get mash up the show. Fling out my felt and some girl catch you and some sitting. Because I say me have my style, you know. See? You don't know what I say. The next day, boom, we come in a big old star. Say Don Mafia say him nah do no family counselor. I'm a picture there on front page now, you know. See? Just when I go up a Beenie yard and go check him. And so I see him and sit down with the star. So from me see him and a pre-star, so you know, I say, problem in I camp, my boss I go sit down. Because my boss, you know. I remember pre-me, me no care about him, you know. I'm done, you know. See it? I say, yo, my boss, where say I go, you know? Yeah. Yo, Don Mafia. What kind of thing this start? I say, we do what? Yeah. I don't know tell you in the dog. You move different in the dog. It's either you're with me or you're not with me, you know. I say, what do you mean with me? So what we do? Come fight over Angel Crutches now in the music. Me not depend this again, my brother. Me do too much already, you know. Me reach a point where when me go a stage show and they say, Don Mafia, the people them where buy jerk chicken, I run left the rest of everybody. I recruit. You see, enter reach a stage and when they call your name, you see people are run, come crowd up to see you. I get hot, you know. I go anything I gone now, you know. The man come out, come say, yo, listen to me. Me, nah, boss, no, man. I'm a woman, me a boss this year. I thought boss, me a boss, no, you know. The man say, nah, boss, no, man, you know. So, me start do me one thing, because me say, from you nah, boss, no, man. Me nah turn up around here and wait for you call me. Me I go work me show them by myself. When me start work me show them by myself, 3-4 times them have to call me back. Because me have come out in some long trench coat and some fit and chop lyrics and place of a shell. Then you know what I say. The man I go tell me, say, well, is either me with him or me not with him, because after him, put me on show if we go foreign. Me is called the flight and go on a stage show. I say, brother, but when I come on foreign, me not get nothing out of that. Because me not depend on flyers, me not get no promotion or nothing.
But wouldn't you think if Beenie Man said that to you, it's either you're with us or you're against us? Wouldn't you think that right now that's your time to escape where you figure that you can't escape right now then?
And that's why I'm going to escape now. Everything I lead down to it. Everything I lead down to the great escape, you know. Remember how much thing me just tell you, you know.
Yeah.
Where I lead, me I think within myself, say, me want to done with this, but me don't want this money, and me don't want this thing going on public, and me don't want it look like me I style him, but me have a thing for myself, general. Me want my life for myself, because I come like me don't have no life again, you know, okay. See? The man say, boy, me there stage show talk about, me don't know family council, like a girl, me a girl with money, woman, and me say, nah. I don't argue, no, but I have to make sure telling people them say, don't mix me up in these scratches of fear with Bounty and Beenie. Because there's no way me can come now. Bounty Killer is a man way. Me and him being at odds. Plus, we are friends. Me and Bounty Killer are friend enemy, you know. Because I remember saying me and him used to part from the jammies. And when them a walk come to school, me give them ice water for drink. Because next door me live. And when me make money off a double plate, me give them money. Say, buy lunch out. I don't know. Me all away a friend. See it? But after a while, I counteract him and he get mad for me and rare and me and he kick off. Then when you look with green back, I went about the war. And then, in my mind now, me not hate him and me not have him up, me just know say, but the killer, I'm done, but sometime we in a problem. See? So, you want to tell me, say, me now, if you make sure you and Angel business and Bounty business, me if you start this Bounty again, me no want to go down that road because me been through them things there. See? And you know your name you done big already and me a build a career and me a do my thing. And me no want to mix up my life over no woman crutches and sitting, brother. Me think bigger than that. So you see through that now, them not like that because I me try to make a step and I say, no, I cannot do certain things again. See? Because this thing I go back and forth, like, yeah, I go 10 steps forward, then 20 steps backward. Me no need to do that, brother. You will do that because that benefit you. See? Because for your fans, them loyal to you, and for your fans, them love when you this Bounty and bravery, and Bounty fans, them love when him this. Who no do that no. I love me to this thing. I no want to fight for not unnecessary one. He said, I disrespect. See? So, me just try, escape, but me I try to do it respectfully. Because just get up and left, them I go pray. Then you know what I say? He reached down to one final part when me know say me have to go done with this now. Because me here say stage show. Me get big phone call now. Stage show I keep running around Garrison. See? Remember say, me don't have it say me and no man have no problem, even though we are cuss and a tassel over money, business, all kind of thing. Me still have you as my family, you know. So me and you quarrel, and by we done quarrel, we gone back to studio, because me nah this you same way. And me nah go load you up and me nah go on like a personal disrespect. But me grumble over my money. And then, you know say me a grumble too, because me nah hide and talk back at you. Me a tell you in front of you, Beenie, what? You know, say very angry. So he reached down to 10 million. Everything come back down now. Me not get no 10 million. Me start frowns more. And start keep wide. Because when they are studio at night time, you know, everybody get up in the studio and wait for Don Mafia to come, you know. When Alien sang a write, you know. When say, dreaming of you every night, every time I close my eye. Everybody have to do there and wait for me, you know. And when me come now, Nigel staff carry me in a van, Suzuki Vitara, play a song, because Nigel staff produce a song there, you know.
Yeah, man.
And when he play, me find the lyric. You're not the only one. Because I'm a lonely man. My love for you is strong. Could I never do no wrong? Everything, every word, write on paper, I'm going to studio go do. When Shani's come with the rhythm, they say, then Mafia have got chat to you, know, because this man have a rhythm and no business with you. The man say, more one song where we attack, like what Peter Metro did do, back we attack, and reverse the thing. I'm fine. Reverse the thing, me come for Beenie. King of the dancehall that I me that dancehall the half king, I saw me work. When me come to studio, all work get done. So you will have work pile up and Beenie sit down a chat and be sitting and go on and everything. When Don Mafia come, the work start. And the work not done till all 12, 1 o'clock, 2, 3 o'clock, 4 o'clock. If at 5 o'clock the work are done. 5, 6 song of voice. And when the 5, 6 song voice, this man I collect $3 million, brother. And when me forget that thing, he find every style if you not give nothing and drive out left you and eat. As some me go through with things. So me have to know when me go through. So me say, me I go left now, me no business enough. So it's like, in my mind, the greatest thing me I say, how me I go left without disrespect? Then, and this now was the final nail in my coffin. Me say, stage show, round around Garrison. So me love DJ, you know, because I have a show in the music, you know. I already I jump up and down like a black monkey, you know, entertain people. Hey, we love music more than we life, you know. See? Me not drive going around and I get a man. About stage show. When me reach a stage show, me not see no sound ching up. Me not see Beenie, me not see nobody. Me don't go see some man say, yo, DJ, come in, man. By the time I go down in one place, be a long rifle lean up on wall. You see, when me come out of that situation, that make me develop high blood pressure, you know. Because the way me I think about this thing, you know, brother. Me start test for sugar and pressure all the time, and me never have that, you know. And me tell you see, about a day or two after, me just start feel weak, you know, king. And me just faint and drop down, you know. And I go to hospital, you know, and then test me, you know, my pressure there 200 and add, you know. Because me I think about my life, say, I dead, me dead, you know, brother. See? And God bring me out of death, you know. So, you see, when me see that, me say, no man no hurt parring with or no boss no hurt my life. So, you what? Me don't need no boss. And me I do my own thing. Don Mafia. You see, for me do that, they fight me and then chat on sitting about me and try to do everything to stop me, brethren. But you see, God, God bless me, you know, brother.
But this is what I don't understand, Mafia. If you're over here writing the lyrics, you're doing the work,
Yeah.
making everybody look good. What's the issue with making sure that you're good so you continue making sure everybody else is good? Because from you're good, I'm good too, all of us is good. What's the problem?
Because you don't know, you know, you see, the Jamaican dancehall industry, our corruption industry, you know, brother. It will mad you, you know. You will do your best for them, and then just, the people in the industry are wicked, you know. Even some I select them, I will grow them, you know. Them now go play a song. Because them thing just get, it's a wagonist thing. Them I work with, forget the hype. Them no business with you. No man now say rare. So it's like enough of them in this industry, they're not really real, you know. Them just pretend to be real, but them is not real. So, you see, when you work, it come like them not have you as nothing. Just do the work, do the work, do the work for them. You see, anytime you start stand up and defend your thing and start want something for yourself, then you don't value nothing no more. So I leave. I'm gone for my own, gonna live my life. I'm happy. I'm not afraid over vanity. And when a guy have, and who rich and who are run the place, I'm not care about that. I'm happy. And a lot of people love me. I mean, have my music in my head and I do music and as enough song me do same way and people never really hear them right way they hear them. Because the business have me, like yeah, some man in the business with us, they're afraid for show out a mafia song because Ray good have vex with them. I don't care about people. But people love me everywhere same way and you see me now, me that blessed youth. Things will happen for me. And when me not there around some people, things still happen for me same way. I mean, all right. You see me? I can't me don't know what I talk to you, know. All right? Big up Can Jam, Big Daddy. Right? All right. Me have good people in my corner who check for me same way. See me there, me and Grizzly Cat apart.
So let me ask you, what is it that, what would you say was your mistake that you made back then where you could say, you could look back and say, okay, you know what? I should have done something differently back then.
Mistake is it being too real, brother. Have too much of a good heart and just feel like you care about other people. You don't care about nobody because them people are not care about you. So you see in our music, selfish of selfish with your talent, man. Because guess what, no? My woman when I live with tell me that, you know. For the first night, you know, when I tell her, I say, you know, say, I fully loaded me go, you know. And when me a bounty killer kick off over fully loaded, you know. And bounty killer talk one who pass it now, you know. And then the next show I keep when you're reloaded, you know. And me there, me yard, you know. Me not depend, you know. But me say me have to go for that show, because same place it a keep. And a bounty killer and sham the on the show. And a sham me did go by the show, got this, make bounty killer this me. But when me a this sham, I don't like me mean nothing personal, brother. Sham not my friends same way. But me just a bit of lyrics. See it? Bounty killer take up my head now. Piss me up and go on somewhere. See it? Alright. The next show I keep reloaded. Me say, me I go for that show they took, because me no business. And me them a try to get rid of me, I go over there. And me go up on the beach and I gringo suit, you know. When a Mexican sit now, me sit them and me boot, you know. You see my brother, you know, carry me over there. Father wrote my son when he Ricky. I left him and left me on the beach, you know. Because the man get coward, you know. I said, boy, I mean, you know, this is no dog problem, I go on. And the man left me over there, me did there, and when me look, then call me on the stage. So when they call me on the stage, I boo the whole beach, I boo me, you know. Because bounty killer and sham fans, them did it. You see when me hear a boo, that make me changa, you know. I say, how would them people there? I think I take no boo and go home to my baby mother, go tell him, say what? I come for sure. And I walk out. I say, I walk out on the stage in a miggle boo and put up my boot on the monitor box and then see sitting in the back of the boot as in the Mexican boot. A big forward, the place mash up already. And I thought, give them some lyrics and chat some lyrics and mash up the beats, mash up it. About 3 times, I have to call me back. And the next day, big write up in a paper, all kind of sitting. And guess what? That's when me done DJ on a show there. At this so, Beenie Man come backstage, come find me. Because Beenie Man, that man I know a long time. Me and him used to do about Van Jam is chuck back at that country, a dance as little youth. And he's a youth where me always rate him. Even when he get the Mandela boom, me did shame for him. Because me there me had watch it on TV and me feel shame, you know. Then I said, John, how that? And when he come in that jam, is nobody now look on him, you know. And me ever tell him, yo, you go bust, man. Me sorry for that, man. Just go on your thing. Because you see, to me take music serious. Me take music serious, that's me run we left country and run we left my yard. If he come at home, you know. If he come hitch up in a studio, just if he come do something. So when me see a man get a certain boo or certain thing happen to him, me know how it hurtful, you know. You understand? Or me take people life serious when love music. You say you love music, me are the first one to encourage you to keep doing it. Because me know how much it mean. All right. So, when I tell you, say in a general, you see, when me see how me deal with people in our music, and how they deal with me just know say, yo, I just clean your heart, nothing clean. You just corrupt and selfish and deal with your thing. Because you say, you know, me did selfish and did my thing and a business with a man thing, no man couldn't have nothing bad to say about me, you know. See? Because I always do my thing and I never apart with no DJ. From a little I tell myself, I'm not apart with no DJ. And that make Bounty Killer have me up sometime. Because when Bounty Killer bust on a jam, everybody run back at him. And me always say, I don't run back at no man. Because I prefer counteract man, you know. And build my own little thing over here, so. See? So when I say cellular bill, go and run up your cellular bill. Slam bam, thank you, madam. I contact him and I run the place. And I'm a friend them, you know. But them end up a pre, you know what I say, hey, a boy, I give you trouble, you know. But me no business, I just true, me no want to hitch up back at Uno. I try to do something for myself.
Killer told me that out of his own mouth. Say, listen, he knew you a long time. It was just from you started to counteract.
Yes.
The song that from you started to counteract the song them, that's where you said everything done. Cause you know, listen, you know how Killer stay already, but it's not like you don't know. So from you start so even if you feel in yourself, say it's just a joke thing, you know those men are gonna take it very serious. And that's where the whole problem started with
and
you.
Killer my boss. Cause Killer is a youth way. From him come to audition the day me did it. When he must sing in high school, the Uncle Tia audition. I'm gonna tell you something. Just when me counteract Bounty Killer song, you know, say I see me see him run a Jamaica and he man say, oh, me love how you do the boy Moses, you know, cause I love trouble people. Then time Beenie Man they do slam bam. No, Beenie Man do ghetto slam, and me do the counteraction name slam bam. And big up the uptown girl them. Slam bam, thank you, madam. So Dennis Howard did produce it. And Dennis Howard them a big disc jockey, so he start run everywhere. So when him see me run a Jamaica, now he man tell me say, yo, love how you do the boy Moses, cause them boy love trouble man song already. So when me left and I go, I said to my friends, I don't Killer feel like it's a friend thing. Right now, I him next me need for trouble car. This thing I need to continue to this car. When me do it, people gravitate towards me. And me I get work. You will have with their studio. When me look, man, I can't look for gringo. Cause myself, I do Gatling, you know, when Buju Banton do browning. And me say, me love me nine, me love me slug, me love me special and thing. Most of all, me love me Gatling. And so me start make money, you know. And me could have buy them lunch too, you know, as little you. Then tell them now make no money yet, you know. So me want to keep making my own thing. Me don't want to have to run back, man. So when me counteract Bounty Killer song when them cellular phone, you know, brother. I peered up plate me, I get out of the record factory at the time. Every sound one that, you know. Well, I run up for your cellular bill. Bad man in your house and a chill. Lord, you a chat to you, girl, and me a walk or still. Have a spin like when me do that, you know, brother. Every sound, Black Cat Lees Unlimited, the whole I sound them a come fit up. See? That's all. Ricky Trooper, use and kill 4x4 Exodus, you know. And 4x4 boss. Me meet him when me go to England, go live, you know. Me go to Birmingham and meet him and run one restaurant. And the man look at me and say, hey, boy, you know, say, shoot me, did want shoot you one that time. I say, for what? Yeah, the man. Yo, you see a double way give Ricky Trooper, man. I make me done with something, you know. The man say, I make me pack up and run left something. The man kill me, wicked down on one land. Yo, the man say him play, he want to kill a dub. Cause I biggest tune at the moment. And the man say, when he play that, I hear Trooper dry contact glass, he forward, he give up. The man say, that's why he left out of something. I mean him turn brethren. Cause man say, you know one easy boy, you know. The man say, go in a record shop halfway and buy a record and broke you up. Cause the amount of money him spend on dub plate. And visit this boy, come do one little contraction and kill him. And you see that song there? I say, Ricky Trooper is a man, you know. We always look for Ricky Trooper for do dub plate for Ricky Trooper. Cause we want Trooper play a song. See it? And you know what I say, me I go to Trooper put me have a style, man. Me love him, see it? You know what I say, a Scorpio studio, I go on there and a man tell me, say, yo, you know, say Ricky Trooper, I look for you, you know. I say, Trooper look for me, for what? You see me go up there? The man say, yo, you have a song where you contact Bounty Killer, I want that song there, you know. And the man call me when I back I studio and give me 25,000. Then they are free, me want to do it for me, you know. Them I say, you know, Trooper them not pay for, Trooper them not have to pay me for no dub, cause told me well want Trooper play my song. And the man call me and give me 25,000. I said, I want that song there, you know. And you know what I end up the two songs. End up the one where I said, don't straight. And we no love, man. You see me? And the man end up go play. Yo, say the man play the song there, brother. Him out that so. Yo, you hear me, dog? For me, it's mad in a general.
It's like you were, instead of actually making music them time there, it's like you're almost hustling the business. You just want dub plate. You don't really want to record per se. It's just dub plate, hand to mouth, hand to mouth, hand to mouth.
No, because you know, it's not, you do song, but you see when you voice them type of song there, they run away. It's like people them have it like a my thing. Yeah, in our business, you know, you always have some type of man with in a certain lane, see it? So you see, like I said, maybe that tune name Done Straight. When me draw that to Cobra have a song about Done Wife, and me go, Done Straight, how we don't love when that drawing a dance, a place I go mash up, you know. So every man want it on dub. So them time when we are youth, that dub studio we grew, you know. And I like now when a man have all a hot song and you know see him, you know. I just phone call and email and money send for one thing. Them time in the road we have to go, brother. See? So when we there in the dub studio, every man I try to have something we at, to keep up, for sound man want you, you know. See? And you see me now, at that me have, because I'm very, like my brain very fiery. Me think fast. So you see, if me see a song a go on good, I say, yo, shoot me have to shoot down that we get add to, car. We want money too. And when you got dub studio at daytime, if you not have nothing to add for DJ, no man not come to you that. See? So we have to do something to keep with thing. And when you got a stage show and draw them type of song there, it plays mash up quick. See? So as a youth a come, we have build lyrics otherwise, but them thing they are the thing them with the people them are take on to. Because they're easy to catch. Just like how you da hear Fambo say, red light, purple light, yellow light, blue. Why you think he catch so quick? Because the people them don't know the song. Yeah. But through him sing it one different way and it sound hilarious, then they start run with it. And so music go. So music is a gimmicks thing, brother. Music is not something where you have to get up and do it one way or one special way. Anything come to you need for just do.
But you see, that's how you could get caught up easy in the business where you're now the counteraction man where, okay, the sound man them want you to do it, but the artists them are going to start pre. It's like, yo, buddy, everything I put out, yeah, counteract. So then the people them, the sound man them are loving it, but your co-workers them are not loving it.
Yes,
so
guys, when I work for a co-worker, just like when I come on this podcast, I talk the truth. Co-worker have to go vex. Co-worker have to go drop out. But you see, people them out there need to know the truth. So I'm not going to come on this sugarcoat nothing and talk good when I bad. If you do bad, me I talk bad. And if you talk good, me I talk good. Because me I talk the real history of dancehall and what we go through in our road. So not everything me say, our next DJ I go agree or like what me I say. But the problem is, you have to talk the truth just like how it go. So when we are do music, we not do music for your next DJ like it. Because them not buy record. And people them out they support you. So you have to find your own lane in a game where you see once you do music and you try to please every DJ, you're not gonna do the real thing what you have to do, Because you do it to please them. You have to be different from them. Them come on stage show, them do what them do, me I think different. Because me like come around and felt that I want big old sit down and do a sit down build a drama, that's when me gone. Everybody else, you see boy Mafia. You mush up it, all of you don't have no song to play. That's how we know it go. Because we are the way we have to do. Everybody have their own lane in our music, man. So when we done work, we are friends again. Nobody have to say me hate no DJ do it.
But that's the way how you see it, but that's not necessarily the way that they're going to see it.
That have to them business coming out your money yard. Because that you have to know. They say if you hustle them, and you big them dub, and you do this, and then you have to do what them say. But I'm a guy who prefer to do my own thing and make my own money and live my own life. See? Me not really have no time for I go each up and say, boy, I want to kill me, I beg you for a plate and really gonna try if you make a money off a kid or so. But just do music, brother. Capleton is my friend, I have Capleton. If me advise Capleton for a man now, he have to send him money. When I go check Capleton and money me I give. And I say, Shango, me have you have to go lend me back sit in my basket. And he said, I mean, I don't Mafia that man. Mafia can't suffer you, I'm a friend. But when me I do my music, me not go say, boy, even though I respect every artist, but me I do what me I do. Forget the people them to listen what me I say. I saw music, what nowadays people are bring hatred in their music. And I call hate artists and why you can't say this about that. And people love controversy, brother. I want to show you. Man in a show a fire shot, smack around. What you do? When the show done, a man still have a say. I don't man did fire shot, a man in a show. You have to see in a show, yeah, man. Don't do what sitting, brother. You see me I say?
When you're talking about fire and shot, I remember you and Kartel in the early days. How many times did you clash with Kartel?
Well, I'm not even sure, you know. Because, you know, say Kartel, I'm always running around everywhere you see me, I want to clash me.
How did that even start between the two of you guys?
I may not even know, because I don't know who's Kartel in the time there. Me just do my music. But you know, Kartel tell me after that, Kartel say, I'm watching you, so I watch me. I say, this is why I wicked this DJ, you know. I want to be like, he man say, I'm mimicking left Portmore, you know. Because him want. He told you see me a handle business and I chat lyrics. He just know, say, yo, this man is a wicked man DJ. And he say, that's why he try to clash me. Because he knows, say, me a bad DJ. And you see, Kartel is a man, we clash today and by tomorrow, we are chat good again. And we never have a war personally. But me just step on one show and he just walk up. And then, after a while, he just tell me truth, say, yo, I told me, know say a bad DJ, man. I always try to clash your car. A long time I watch you. I'm going to go foreign. England, I got part of a youth named GQ. And he tell me, say, you know, say, over Gaza, me grow. Yo, you that man, you and Kartel, them used to watch on DVD, you know, dog. I wicked this thing. Cause they know, say, when Gringo come out, a madness stage show done. See it? It work when me doing that music. No people not even know. Right now, I can't go and explain my career to people. But we are doing it for our liquor up. And I run out on a big show, them and I burn them down. Even when we don't have a big song, them, you know. But guess what? We always have the entertainment in our way. And even though we have it, the man will play all sound. All whole night, me just a select and a mash up place, I run up and down and chat all sitting. Skeng Dan, if he send call me and tear me piece of money and say, boy, where you come from? Beres Hammond come on party and me a play. Yeah, man, to a woman. And the boy, when him Don Mafia that up there, sir. I say, yeah, man, yeah. And him a play the music for you. And I say, yeah, the man come out, they go salute me, man. Yeah, man. You know, you see that, man. I never know you could have it. When you're the entertainer, you're the all-round entertainer, brother. I go to church, I just go dress up in my jacket and tie. I think, I'm happy, I mash up the church. I come around a wedding, write your name, I sing, I'm wedding mash up. Me that business, brother. So if me go on a stage show, I mean one bad man stage show, I sing. I got chat some bad man lyrics and lift up the place, brother. Me the entertainer. You see me I do it? So when me I entertain, brother, me no business. If a man want to say, he want to clash me, he just come.
So you and Kartel thing never got to record. It was a strictly stage show thing.
Yes. Because Kartel called me name in a record still, you know. One tune when he said, sitting about me and Beenie Man and whatever. But I didn't even care. Because me and him not in a war. Because when he see me, and me and him apart back and he's a man where I say, oh, me and him cuss tonight, you know. Remember I said, me tell him about him mama for one stage, run a 1,000. And by next day, me up Exodus and me and him a drink 2 cold beer. A man like that, no. Me can't war him. Yeah, me have to hate you for war, you know. Says when Bounty killer them a chat on sitting about me. I know me no business with them. Because when I just chat on sitting and done and me look, me don't know what for war, no say. Me love when war serious, you know. So when me a war, me really hate you. I will say, yo, we have a pitch on lyrics man a boy, you know. And we a chat on woolly pass it now. See me? How you boy them a deal with make them know say that me ready for. Trace me, them a trace, them must be pilot or them a Jennifer. Murder guy for free, just make them know me no want a penny for. Ready for go all hell go war with Lucifer. Yo, I killed before the days of father, now I hand Melchizedek. Woolly pa gun me bury, woolly pa gun me ready for resurrect. Excuse me, make me out them punk alive just like a cigarette. Real gun man a war, well me no matter it, I consider it. Me shoot up down a Bethlehem, boom down a Nazareth, 45 a scale me use and stop them. I look at I roll hot. Come in a time for a chat no war and tomorrow me a friend. I real kill more and kill you.
Okay, so did you get into a serious clash with any artist? Or who would you say was an artist that you really got into it with then?
The whole of them afraid of me, man.
Nah, man, you can't say that. I'm saying specifically where it was you and this artist, you guys were gunning for each other.
Well, by the time we go on war and sit, the man them afraid that nobody want to build no more song, man. You see me? Because you know, Bounty killer them and the whole of them, they don't really want to go on musical war with me, you know. Because through they know some is a lyricist, you know. So you see, if them give me a chance to war them, and me start chat people or listen when me I say to you know. And they don't want that. The greatest thing for them hold back in music is not make people listen what you say, you know. That's why I hear Beenie Man come out and say, them man, they're not the DJ, man. They can't go right lyrics. Because him don't want people to listen when me I say. Because when people listen, you are dead, you know. Because people, them are listen you know. And that time magic it I give. If a man a listen you, that mean you're hot. See it? So it's like a man will come a stage show and war, you know, but when it come to record war, a man no want it. Because he claim say, he not give you no hype. But he still want to kill you, you know. But he must say, me, no truck about him. And next thing when me looking go to back wicked and check and people start say, because man afraid, you know. Man afraid of you. Put them carry up on line then with you, you know. Because when a man do a song, you know, and you listen hit, you know, you go back in your brain box now, you know. And I say, eh? And that you say, all right, hear this. And go back, go chat wicked on him and the people will say, bro, the man, God. And then him have to go answer back now. So your thing grew big, so you know. They don't want that. No for them, no want that. They're afraid of that.
But you have to remember, this business is not just lyrics. It's craft too, you know, boss.
Yes.
You understand?
Yes.
You have to understand craft and know how to work with what's working with you or what's not working with you. It's craft.
Like Beenie Man, a craft in music and craft in business, you know. Can have a performance and a dressing. A real star, you know. You think he is it? You think in business, I just real star.
Okay. I got two questions for you. You keep talking about England. I remember either reading somewhere or seeing somewhere that when you came down from England, you actually brought your money in a cereal box.
You know what? Who tell you that?
Listen, did you bring down the money in a cereal box when you're coming from
Oh,
England?
where you hear that? No, mafia thing a different thing. I know mafia. Remember say mafia me name, you know. And everything me talk for me, you know. Understand? Because we are not fooling our earth neither, you know. We are survivor, you know. See?
Aye.
I have to wait for more time, you know. A man just see we are never know. Because we not show off, you know. Yeah, man, me have all the bag full of money now, and me not show off. I'm telling no man. Because you always stay about money now. Money ain't sitting there. It's like when someone have money, everybody have to know. And them have to dash away and them have to buy this and sitting for sure. Me no business with that. Me don't want to have money sitting and look by you see me, you know. And me no business, you know. Me not have to say nothing, you know. But me know what me know. But I must say, me just try not to turn Kraft in a life, man. You see, Kraft thing, me not deal with Kraft thing. Me have ambition, you know. So, me not bossy, but me have ambition. You have some people who think that me bossy, you know. But who them boy, they show off. And I really show off. Because me not really try to go extra in a life, like, me I live, me I show off, like, me better or not. But yeah, it's a thing where, you know, away from our liquor. You have to just learn. You have to clean, plus you have to take care of yourself. You have to survive, brother. Survive. Live. And that the skill there enough man don't have. Because enough man in the music, then we get big song, then we run the place, and then pop right down back and turn rock the same way, and in a road I beg a cigarette. I don't live them way there in a bad man. Because you see man, them we grew me. I grew amongst the Dan them, you know, how tired them, you know. As King Dan them, no man, I will never stop talk. Because, you see, when we learn around them, that value more than money. Right? So, you see in our life, we try if we hold up with head at all times, right? I have ambition. I was sensible. Me keep my brain firm. Me not follow people and drink and junk and turn menke and do something where mess up my life and then me I say, if me didn't know. Me not do that. Every day I say me firm. And I think straight. And my biggest problem in my life is money. You know? Because when you have money, you solve all problems. You know? If I sick, you can't go good that time. I learned that from an early stage.
Yeah.
That's why I say when me have the money that I run, me have to corrupt. Me gone about my business, man. And I walk this life with no man.
Yeah.
You see me? And I just that. Ambition. You see, ambition, when you have that, are the best thing that, brother.
Ambition over hype.
Yes, man. Me not hype. Not show off man people, brother. Because you see that show off something there, it will bring you right down. And you see, anytime you live your life, you don't live for impress people. Like, you think what people are saying and what people. I don't think what people are thinking. You know? Because if you think what you think, that's your mind. You just do what you do. So a lot of people might think about me and this. I don't care about that. I still live my life. I understand? I'm reach a point in my life where I'm a mature person right now. You know? Certain things, I not even say in my music no more. Because if my mind don't agree with it, I not say it. You understand? And you see my life where I live, I try to live a life where I don't live my life to please entertainment alone. I live sensible, real life I live. And if I have a woman and she love me and her role, I not go make true entertainment. I just come out and diss her and do some really bad foolishness to please people. You know, like some man, they have their woman. Some man, we have them good woman, you know, and through entertainment, then come out and then diss her all in a crowd. I don't live so. And my life a private life. I too love post up my family them and post up people in the media.
Keep it simple.
And everything people will know about
Man,
you.
at the end of the day, I tell people this. You're supposed to just live a normal life where when you're up, nobody knows you're up. When you're down,
Right.
nobody knows you're down.
Then-
Because you just keep it one way
Right.
at all times, boss.
I saw me stay. And you know what? That come with maturity, brother. Because when you get mature, you don't give a damn what people want to think about you anymore. You think about, you have to accept yourself how you stay now. So guess what? Your responsibility is to keep yourself alive, you know. And people, if you go out there and chew your whole hype, you're going to just drink all kind of liquor and do something. Yourself here mash up. Even nitrous, you know. Enough people don't know this. I didn't even know this. A couple of months ago, I learned this, you know. See it? And when you look, you know, you don't know what I say. People And what do you learn, say? You say if you're not going to bed at night time, it'll affect your health, you know.
For sure.
Me never know that. And look one night we bleach. Me say from me hear that, man, me have to try catch up back to sleep right now. I lie down now and sleep, you know. Because we are run down the rural and the rural there, you know. And I see him on a kill, you know. You know, you Tanya Stevens say, these streets don't love you like I do. You have to know to cool off. And load them with it. And then go and go kill them and another. You think me and Tanya be going to kill me, boy, I that.
Mafia, you've been through from Gringo
Yeah.
to Don Mafia to you here in Canada, you're doing all
Yeah.
this stuff there. At this point in your career,
Yeah.
what do you really want out of the business right now?
Boy, my boss, I just want the people to hear my music. Right now, I have an album ready right now, you know. I want to just do my thing now on a professional level now and stop. I don't prove nothing to nobody or who wicked or who a bad DJ. My life, I done been through too much through music now. I have some nice song with my record right now, some sensible song where me really want to get out and make the people them hear my music and respect me for my music now. You understand? And I can go travel now and make me when I sing the people them know me sing them. Because I never really get that yet in a music. Might have one and two songs where people know. But you see that's something there when I have an album and people are listening me and when I sing them and sing and I can tell a promoter, yo, you hear me give me that now I'm ready and yo, you hear me 10 ticket on 5 first class and 3. I don't get that yet, you know, brother. And I don't think that I keep dreaming of, you know. Because that is the original dream. That is what we can let go of. When we are face music, some things where we end up go through, we never know we da go through. Because the road full of beer, bump and rigma roll and you have to go so and face it as it come. But that is not really what we want, brother. But we never have that real team there, or that real boss there. We say, yo, Mafia we are deal with now, we are going to put him on the road, the official. Every time they say no about that, man. That's why I believe they will be a me.
You
They need a 4 shit bat or something in that. Because I don't like what I Man, all that time we say I sent me come from and I make use of sent here, you know. But me know me believe in them they sitting there either. Brother, they're wicked doing our music, you know. We always sang them and we good sang them and every time people ever hear we sang them, brother, yo dog, me I tell you say God man, me say it's like everything people say are gonna happen, nah but that happen, brother. Like then just put stumbling like every time you a man might say, yo, we're gonna do this with that song and we go, yo, and the song I play now everybody I say, yo, but all of a sudden man get corrupt and I do something different and nobody wanna help you then. Like you know say, no matter how much talent you have, you can't make it off of your own, you know. It have to be a producer and a manager and them type of people that. But they don't want to help people like we. If you have your head by your body come like nobody don't want to help you, you know. They prefer help a little man where one buto. Where they can have like a clown and there's no say, oh, I want to see that this man, we can rob him. And when you have firm somebody, nobody in the business with you, call them and say, them boy, they all right, man. Me not all right. After me not can carry yet. And music, me singing a brother. How me fi sing music and me no can carry and me I say me all right. So me fi do now. That's done with music and go lie down sleep now. I cannot do that because there's something still in me. And people still out there will believe in me. Why them want me now back down me ready. All when them a draft them shotgun me ready. All when police come fi crack down me ready. All when them swear say me stack down me ready. www.mafia.com me ready. Western Union send me cash come me ready. Mama Mafia want we fi lock down me ready. TAD G-string or the frack down me ready. I don't know me ready long time and I'm ready. Long before Ken them a sing rock steady. All them a say them a star and them a move say deady. Never see them a uptown Monday. Need a run already. England me par with me wife named Debbie. New York City me go link up Jeddy. LA me a roll with me big brother Brady. Red van pull up jugs loud and heavy. Y'all a say me cute go me like a teddy. Boy can't dress y'all a call that Freddy. Y'all your body ready? Beg man a beggy. Jump in a the belly. Whole night man a revy. Woman you fi set it anyway. Me say fi set it condom in a the belly. Y'all you know me nah left it. War them a look. Them a fool ya petty. Gunshot me bust in a them ears and defy. Big show a foreign so them call me fi take it. Yet man I see you like a private jetty. Secure. Yo, you hear me daddy? Stage you have a shell. But what about the other song them? Me have nice song we record. I couldn't sleep last night. Too much fuss and fight. They want to take my... I'll sing. See? Never give up, Jamaicans always a try. We are sing some real song too. But the world don't hear them yet.
You see, because I believe that, especially if you could write all of these big songs here, because there's a gazillion songs that
Yes.
you wrote, that you still deserve that break. But you see, as you get up in age and you look around and you see Merciless died, Fantan
Yeah.
Mojah died, it makes you start to really question yourself like, freak, man, am I really making the right decisions in life to make sure that I could move forward? And that's what it really comes down to a lot of the time.
And you will give up too. Because people will tell you to give up and who you're not going anywhere, but we will know what you're doing. 'Cause listen to me now. You see the dream where we have from where I look at youth. The whole of we have the youth. We never know where life I go. Some of we grow rugged. Me grow rugged and I grow without parents with this and that. I'm in the street and I stay firm. Because at no time I take a wrong road. We say, me follow them youth, they go bust some gun, we are going to kill some people, we are going to take drugs, we are going to do this. Me always have my mind on the music king. See? And I hit save me. And I hit been providing for me. And music me live off I no king. I may tell you something, you know, brother. You see, a dream where we have from we little, we don't lose it. We still have it. And you see, as we get older, I just say no. You reach a point where we not try to prove to nobody no more, brother. We want to get we thing on a level where it becomes strictly business. So when you call my phone, my money gone in my account and I move. And I go to our hotel and I come in the night, 10:30 at my time, I come sing my song them. All who love me, I go there. And all who take my picture and my fans them there. And I go back and my yard, I got my wife lie down sleep. And tomorrow I wake up, me no business who I wicked this DJ, who I run the place, who I do nothing, me I'm gonna know say me I get my slice of the cake. Because me have my talent same way. And my talent is still there, and I have good song, and I can make song anytime. But, brother, the business set away in a king, man. If you follow this music business, they were mad out in a king. So through that, we have to keep firm. I see all of my friends and my pass off and gone. Me miss them same way, but me still there. And you see, the fact that me still there, me have to still keep doing what me I do. You understand? So you can't watch what go on around you. Just keep doing the thing there. And you see, you them where I run it now, you can't try to keep up with them. I try if you go in and feed them lane. If you say, you and them are going a tassa. You have to allow them to do their thing and give them the respect. Because we was once youth too. And we used to do our thing too. But we're a big man right now, brother. And a real life we are dealing with you now. You see me? We been through the ropes. We know it up, it down, everything, the wins, the loss, everything. So now, at time, you have to just keep your head by your body and try to do your thing the right way, brother. See? And try to live good with who in your circle. A lot of people in your circle, you don't need them because if they don't believe in your dream, then they don't need it around you, right?
For sure.
When people love you and respect you, you show them back the love. That's how me live. Who like me like them. Who don't like me, no business with them. Because my life big and one thing. You not even know my history, you know. I've been through so much that I can't even explain it. You know what I mean? I have to tell people my business.
So
I just try to interview me there and me
it's just a good, solid team you want around you.
Me not tell no that. Me need help with my career.
Push it forward.
Enough things, man. You see the team, King man, me have some song right now, man. If you really hear them, me rich. And me sit down and me make good music same way. And say me advise my song them, me try to do them the best me can. And even nowadays when you see me I do the topic song them things they are just to keep current, you know. But me not depend on them song there, you know. Me have a real song when me record where people not hear yet, you know. Because it don't make sense, you throw your thing them and then now go the right way and now get the right marketing. So me need marketing now and them things them I work on now. So even while me there so now, I them things them I work on. Forget me thing on a proper level where when a man download a Don Mafia song, it gone. It official in our system. I mean, when I go up on stage and sing, people know me song there. And that my one, brother. I'm not business with nothing else here, man.
Yeah, especially at this stage in the game. 'Cause
Yes.
you went through some, again, we sat down and talked already. We had like a 3-hour conversation. So I
Yeah.
know some things where you went from country
Yeah.
to town. You were right across from Jammy Studio with the church lady. One bag of things. So you've been through a lot. You know what I
Everything,
mean?
but-
You've seen, it's like you came to the right to the door and the door went even further. You got close to the door again.
More than once.
the door just keeps getting further and further and further.
Yes.
It's like this business could make you bitter, tired, resentful.
And I'm never
everything,
with that. I love this business too much. This game that I'm in, the music thing, me love. I mean, I love nothing else. Because anywhere me there, if me not do music, me get sad. So even when me there in England, me get sad because me dey far from the music. You understand? So me want to go back in it. And I like now when social media, you see now when social media they out, you can just turn on the phone and say, yo, and touch on sitting on the whole world here. Or you can go and prepare studio now in Canada and record a good song and it release and it gone. Them time that you have to do a yard for do music. See it? But now you see where it reaches levels where Alkaline them live a foreign, Movado them live a foreign, Cartel them live a foreign, and them still a do music. See it? But me that man, me love Jamaica still in the car. The reason why I love Jamaica, I don't let my heart there.
The current is on the ground, boss. You see when you're on that ground and you feel that current, it's a totally different thing already. Especially when you're still didn't go through the door. You see, once you went through the door and you understand the formula, okay, you'll do it from anywhere. But you see, until you get through that door, you need to be on that ground to get the current.
I have to set the thing, man. Right now, me have some song right now where I roll me I go for right now. Yeah, me I tell you, real song them.
Yeah.
Where people them not hear it, and then me need them to hear it now.
Yeah, for sure, because as you said, even your topics, we know any little thing comes up quick, Don Mafia could cook up a song. But again, that almost brings it back to the counteraction. We know you could do that, but right now the people them want some solid music that's outside of something that comes across as a thing.
Yeah, man.
You understand?
I have them, man. I record them already, too, and I like me just have them. Me have songs record, me have album, everything can drop right now. Never give up, Jamaican, always a try. Not on no cruff, you know we must get a black. Rough and it tough, Jamaican still no give up. Always no told us we should. We get up and gonna we walk. Could I be a liar, doctor, teacher, or a helper, or plate you wash up? Some boy will say them a done me find out that them wasn't live a foreign 20 years and they will send for your cousin. Life is a crossroad, you must say. Yes, I say some real song where people can listen to now and playing at them vehicle and say, yo, I'm mafia this, you know. You see me? We have them, man. We have everything for them, Dad.
Yeah, but even looking at your brethren like Fambo now.
Yeah.
As I said, Fambo bust like 2, 3, 4, 5 times already, you know. So you know it's it's just right around the corner. So continue to put in the work.
Yeah.
Anything is possible.
That's what Fambo do right now, too. Fambo bring back a thing in the music now. Because them have this thing where they say, yo, a young artist alone I can lock the place. You know? You see what Fambo do right now? He bring back the old artists them, you know. You understand? And that is the next thing with dancehall we do to you too. Like, you see, music now come with age in a general. When some artists are foreign 70, 80, they still are singing that. Jolly boys, them boss when them are 80, 78, and they on private plane and sip champagne and everything. You know, young girl when 19 called my phone this morning, you know. The brother with the one teeth, so any of them again, jolly boys. Cause the man them did boss already, you know, but then think water down and then they are supermarket, I play guitar now, and the boss go to supermarket with his wife, with his G-Jam, and see them, and just invest back our money, and the man them think take off and go to a world before then dead. So, you see music thing, I don't really age the thing work off, brother. The thing work off where the people them a get, brother. You see, once the people them, if I you them a get, you them a go take, you know. Young need to make sense to them, you know. Because if a big man come now, and he must sing something, and I pay foolishness. And when people listen, no matter how much money spent on it, it sounds stupid. Them not gonna like it. But try and make good song. And the people them hear it and it there in front of them are gonna just accept it. The video them look good, the thing them will say, oh, I hear is that thing gone, man.
The world is a big world. There's piece of thing for everybody, you know. It's just you gotta find what works for you and work with that right there.
And you know what, I just said that, and me realize that now. Last week me go do a show up in one place, you know, and me I tell you, King. You see, when me go there and see that, me I say, all someone attack, you know, they not crack it, it's shell of music yet, you know. Because that's the place where me go, you know, King, man. If you can bounty killer up there, Beenie Man, Kartel, Movado, nobody up there so don't know them, you know. And me there in a thing I may appreciate. When me I go up there so go sing them now, because them people are no lyrics thing, them people are not busy with no Don Mafia, nothing where I go do can't save you yourself. What you think me have to do? Me have to make up a plan in my head and go up there and start play. I've got a feeling and a dance. And kick off all my boot and kneel down and ground and pray for people. Them and then me say, all right, ready. Them one man die, but we still alive. Them treat me bad, but and I sing me song them and then sit down and listen now and then when me done, they clap me up. Because they don't know the song, you know. But just to how me approach them with the drama, they want to listen to me now. And then we say, all right, play mama. Mama, you made. And when that play, we say, rhythm. Mama never turned her back when I was younger. And I sing for mama now. And when me done with it, you know, all the little youth, them, some little white youth. The man, them, we want more. This man is crazy. And some old woman that laugh and I shake off my hand and sit down. And some old man I take picture with me and some bad. Why you think that? Because me use charisma and personality to get across to them. Because if I was depending on music, those people would not like me. You know? But why me do that? The experience. Me learn. See? Because I go up on tour with all Beenie Man them and me see how they interact with some crowd. And you say if you don't have that something there too, I'm sorry for you.
The charisma, boss.
I know everybody are going to know you. I know everywhere you go, people are going to know your music. You have to just be an entertainer. Natural born entertainer. So anywhere you go, you have to make people them like you. All right? And that I work.
Listen, you're real drama. It's always a good time when we sit down with Mafia. Cause listen, the story them just a flow.
Yeah,
you understand? Because it's like you're what do they call you? Computer brain.
Computer brain, man.
Yeah, man. You remember everything word for word and the details you bring people into. Crazy. That's why again, a room with you and Fambo sitting down there and just reasoning, boss. People supposed to dead.
Every day, boss call me say, yo, my brother, where you there every day on my foot? God, boy, I'm here, you know, so real. Yeah, man, I'm a friend, man. Pure vibes, man. Mad thing, me did.
Yeah, nah, man. Mafia, leave some social media contacts where they can check you out. Anything you want to say, anybody you want to big up now, the floor is yours before we get you out of here.
Oh, you mean, man, big up. The whole of my fans, them out, they big up all who listen to me, you know. Big up, me link them in Canada same way. You don't know. Boys Town, my general, for Ottawa there. Kenny Bling on the team. So I say, Big Daddy can jam. You know how you make it possible. So I deal with Bitterus and the whole massive, man. You don't know. Say, Toronto, you don't know. The whole place. Yeah, man. Big up Grizzly Cat too, you know. Me and him I do the road, you know. See it? All right, you know, bigger boss and the whole team. I say, big up the whole Jamaica, you know, enough love to you. Because Jamaica people, them love me, you know. Kingston people, me love you know. Maypen people, Mandeville people. I pure love and respect, man. You see what I say? Big up my boss, Beres Hammond. You say, Beres Hammond. Beres Hammond will make you drop down and dead. The man a joke kind of dog.
Beres.
The man can make you like, hey. Boy, I tell you, man, I say, I miss Beres, man. I thought the man them want to go check right now. Every night we go check Beres. I pay drama. I'm my boss, man. One Beres, man. That, man. See me? Man, take long for do the plate, do it. Yo, the man, make it there, yo, have 1 year. Hey, Father Beres, big up yourself, man. Keep it on the whole team, man. It's all Buju too. I'm my boss, man.
Okay.
I'm yeah, man. Enough boss me with me music, you stand there. Long time we in this thing, you see me? I remember I said this a Friday, we had the upper way. 190. We had one place name. Upper one place name Station Road, upper Ajax. You see me I say? Me and Grizzly Cat and High School Levi and the whole team. And I say this week, Friday, Dancehall Friday, up at a big club up there. See it? And right now, a shillings. Because you know a Jamaican crowd that did this up. And the whole like pretty girl them a come out and the whole like tap you out them. See I say big up the Ajax crew straight. Our place. See it?
Ropes.
A mad something. This Friday. In a square with it. Big rich club. We're going to lock down that, man. You see me? And the album there soon drop. No worry yourself, people. Everything up. See me I say? Manners and respect. Link me up on the TikTok, you know. You don't know. Real Don Mafia, you know. Yeah, man, I get some video we go viral, you know.
Yeah, of course,
When
man.
mama said you go to school, girl and boy, love the badness alone. And if you come yourself and try and fool, girl and boy, you better go on back home. You take your subject one by one. You and then you pass them 2 by 2. Don't make your mama start cry. Hey, you see, pick them. Or if you go to school and learn for sure. And make your mother proud and your father, boy. What I do? Boy and girl, go to school, go learn. And you see them thing there, I will believe in her. You them fi learn at school, brother. and come out to something good and sensible, read and write and them thing there. Get your work, set yourself independent. You see me I say? And you see little girl with dead down at Chilani, bad man. But grieve about it. And the government and everybody were in charge. And if you do something about that, when boy rape picnic, you don't have them go back on the road, make them come kill people like a picnic star. Rape a little girl, cut her throat. Nice like a 10-year-old baby in that. Promising, you know. Yo, the thing hurt me, you know. But me I say to the government, that's why the man them rape picnic. Don't let them out back on the road to come rape no more picnic, man. But don't start hang them, man. But don't hang man them where I hold down baby and I rape them. Then, if you have the heart, if you hold down a baby and rape her, then you know murder her, brother. Because you see picnic about them business. What you mean about hold down and take? What? No hold down no woman and take nothing, brother. We burn all rapists right now. See me I say? Because cool now, man. Jamaica people, man. Come on, man. Come on, man. A joke thing this. Little baby dead like that gone after this boy done did get charged for the same thing already. We don't have him in our district, I do. I mean, I tell the government down at Jamaica, man. Yo, he's up on the people, them, man. You saying Carla, the way you bringing about every minute, boy, if you do this. Bro, me a driver, I'm car Jamaica, I'm afraid right now, you know. Because if nothing no do me car, me start fret, because me just feel say me go get a ticket. Them police are overdo the thing. It's like then just wait for your drive out for ticket. You. Nothing can go so, brother. And a peer criminal left on the road. And the government that tell police if you shoot people. And then what? You can't just kill everybody, brother. I know it's a crime to go down, but at the same time, police do the right thing, brother. See, nobody has going on and kill people. And you don't know. You have to know who not kill, brother. Because I don't do nothing, star. And me afraid. Because when you reach a point now where a man can't kill an innocent man like that. But we don't have to afraid, man. Better come on, Jamaica, man. Government, man. Come on, member people them, sir. And people them still down a country, poor. I down a Black River and some place. People house mash up and sit them. Give people them sit, man, and set back the people them thing, brother. Our country that way we love, you know. But drive through Black River and it coming like a Gaza, me I go through, you know. Whole building and rubbish pack up in the Black River. I know no do nothing. Come on, you know, help the people them, brother. People are dead for younger down at that, you know. Yo, I'm vexed about the thing, man. And I just make sure set the thing straight. Because Jamaica, I'm a country, I love Jamaica still, you know that. But right now, some sitting there going down there when I right. You see me? Stop pressure I drive at them, man. Everything, you know. Imagine this, you know. You know, I take my people points off of their license. And I still, I give them ticket for them pay. So if I pay me ticket, why you not take one my points? All right, if a man broke your light then, or if a man a speed certain way, or if a man a drive careless, you can't take my points, but other man know, indicate a chip out that. They give the man a ticket, brother, I can go pay that, man. Your light can't chip out and you not even know, brother. You see me, I say? Come, man, you will have we are one, man. Live good, man, and tap your food. And police, more time you use no discretion by the people, them, too, man. Not just pressure the people, them, too. Oh, God, man. Too much pressure, man. Ease up.
Now, if there's one thing we know Mafia is going to really talk out for what you believe in, you understand?
I mean,
Mafia,
man.
listen to me. Actually meeting you in person
Yes.
for the first time here, you're
Yes.
the exact same person as the person I spoke to through
Right.
the internet.
Yeah,
you
man.
understand your vibe,
Sure.
your energy, everything about you?
Yes, brother.
100 same way. So again, maximum.
Yeah, man, a real thing that, man.
Maximum
One
respect.
muscle, you know.
Know what I
One,
mean?
one
Grizzly Cat,
muscle.
big up yourself same way, bro. You understand?
Yeah, man.
Big up same when everybody that actually made this happen.
Yes,
big up,
man.
big up, big up.
Big up, big
You
up, big up.
understand? Let me give you an outro and get you out of here, all right?
All right.
Bam. Well, ladies and gentlemen, this is Muscle, and this has been another Two Line Musica's Entertainment Report podcast, and we are out.
Oh.
This podcast is brought to you by www.twolinedmusica.com.